Hello, my dear students. I hope we are live. Please give me a confirmation if you guys can listen to the audio video. If the screen is visible, the audio is visible, my face is visible. Please give me a confirmation. So based on that, accordingly, we'll start the session. Yes, everyone. Great. Okay, fine. Hello, my dear warriors. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Welcome to today's session of Costing Abhyaas Batch. So we are discussing the chapter Material Costing, and today is going to be the final discussion of the chapter. Now, the way we normally begin, let us begin with a small, simple quote or a reminder. So one day, there will be one day when you'll thank all the pain, all the struggle, all the challenges that you've gone through. One day you'll understand that why we had to suffer to succeed. One day all those early mornings, all those late nights, all those long hours will pay off. Keep pushing, that one day is coming. It's a powerful reminder. Sometimes it could be possible that you're working really hard, but you're not finding hope. You're not finding light at the end of the tunnel. But know that you're very close. Just when you're very close to success, the challenge, the difficulty is going to be the highest. So know that what you're pursuing is not any normal degree. You're pursuing one of the most challenging courses in India for commerce professionals. In 140 plus crore Indians, the most challenging course for commerce professionals is CA. One of the most respectful courses. It is not going to be easy. But by end of the journey, you look back at everything, every struggle, every sacrifice, and you'll tell it was worth it. So keep pushing, my dear warriors. I believe in you. Things will fall in place. So let us start our discussion for today. Today is going to be a very exciting day, my dear warriors. Why, sir? Because today we are going to finish the chapter Material Costing. Sir, is that why it is exciting? Yes, that is one reason. But there is one more reason why it is exciting. Today we are going to solve 2 to 3 very difficult questions. Sir, what you are telling, sir? At the start only you are making us feel afraid. Yes, it is better that we solve these questions here than we see those in the examination. Okay, challenging questions, tricky questions. We'll be solving the question which came in November 23 examination. Okay, we'll be solving a new study material question which is added in the recent new syllabus study material. RTP May 24, ICA has come up with case scenario based MCQs. So many of you were asking, sir, what is MCQ going to be like? ICA has given a small trailer. So let us see how that trailer is going to be. Is that trailer going to be a dhamaka or is it going to be puss? We will understand in today's session. So are we ready? Are we excited, everyone? Please give me a confirmation so that accordingly we can start the session, my dear students. So let us begin. Okay. So sir, where did we stop yesterday? Sir, we have finished 3 concepts. That is, first concept was EOQ and its related concept. Second one was inventory levels. Third one was material turnover ratio. 3 concepts fully over, sir. Jinchak. Okay. Fourth concept, stores ledger. We had begun that. In that, some questions we tried. One more question is pending. That is where we are standing. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So quick revision of stores ledger we already had yesterday. So I am directly going into the questions. So we have with us question number 21. We are directly going to start off with an important question. Okay, Maja is about to come. Is this clear, everyone? So let us see the question. Let's come to the question bank. Question number 21. Okay. Are we ready, everyone? Please give me a confirmation. Question number 21. Let me open it here as well. Okay, let me read the question quickly. AT Limited furnishes the following store transactions for September 2022. Okay, they've given opening balance, issue, receipt, issue, return, issue, receipt, issue. Replacement, returned from department, transfer from one job, issue, transfer from department, shortage. Prepare stores ledger using FIFO. Now, as and when we are going to solve, we'll accordingly keep reading the data one by one. Which method we are following, students? FIFO method we are following. So, based on that, we'll have to prepare our stores ledger. Okay, sir, let us prepare the stores ledger. Pay attention, everyone. So, first transaction, let me record. What transaction it is? 1st of September, I have opening balance. How much quantity opening balance is there, sir? 25 units I am having opening balance. For that, altogether, how much value I had incurred? 162.5. That means for every unit, how much was I paying? I have paid 162.5 divided by 25 units. Every unit I have purchased at 6.5. Yes or no? Yes, sir. No doubt. Perfect. Let us continue. What happened afterwards, students? Then came 4th of November. Oh my God. What happened on 4th of November? We issued goods. How much goods did we issue? 8 units we issued. Which method we are following, students? FIFO method we are following. Let that be there on the back of your mind. At what rate? 6.5. You can calculate the value. That means how much balance is there? 25 is there. In that 8 is gone. That means I'm still having 17 units at the rate of 6.5. What is going to be the value? Accordingly, you can calculate and keep. 17 into 6.5. It is 110.5. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. Perfect. After that, what happened, sir? After that came the next date. What is the next date? Next one is 6th of September. Okay, sir. What happened on 6th of September? Received. We received goods. From whom we received? BN company we received. Great. How much quantity I received? 50 units. At what rate? 5.75. If I multiply, I'll be getting the value. That means what all goods I'm having? I am following FIFO. Individually, I'll have to write. Yes, firstly, I have 17 units, which is purchased at 6.5. After that, fresh 50 units are there, which are purchased at 5.75. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Till now, it is clear. Shall we continue? Okay. Don't worry, it's not a simple question. Some transactions are simple, but in between, there is a small adjustment. For that, I am solving this. Okay, everyone? Okay, perfect. After 6th, what happened, sir? Then came 7th of September. On that, I issued goods. How much goods? I'll do it quickly. 12 units. At what rate? I am already having 17 units at 6.5. So, it will be at 6.5 only. So, 17 units was there. 12 is gone. That means 5 units at the rate of 6.5. Fresh 50 units at the rate of 5.75. Okay. I am not calculating multiplication. I am not doing it here. I am leaving it to you guys only. Okay. After 7th, what happened, sir? Came 10th of September. Pay attention, everyone. Return to B and company. Return to B and company. Return to B and company. So understand what is happening. This is supplier. This is my stores. So from B and company, I had purchased the goods. The day I had purchased, I received goods. How much quantity it was, students? I received 50 units. At what rate? At the rate of 5.75. Yes, in that, what am I doing now? 10 units I am returning to BN company. That means I did not like the goods. I am returning 10 units. Firstly, tell me, if I am returning the goods, whether goods are coming into the stores or goods are going out from the stores. So, goods are going out from the stores. That means where will it come? It will come in issue column. Perfect. Yes, how much quantity? 10 units. Which rate? Whose goods I am returning? I am returning goods of BN company. At what rate I had received? 5.75. So, I will show it at 5.75. Simple. Yes, sir. Simple, sir. So, I will show return to BN company. How much goods? 10 units I am returning. Is at what rate I have purchased goods from BN company? 5.75. So, now while I am updating the balance, look at this, students. 6.5 rupee goods is there. Did I issue any of those goods? No, sir. Those goods are there as it is only. Okay. Which goods I issued? I issued 5.75. 50 was there. In that 10 I returned. That means how much is still there with me? 40 is still there with me. Yes or no, everyone? My mobile is giving me notification. Let me just keep it on silent. Just a second. Yes, our electronic devices should not distract us in between our studies. Sir, will you share this question in the group? We'll share, dear. Don't worry. Okay. At the end of the session, you guys just give me a reminder to share the files. Okay, I will share all the files, don't worry. Okay, if possible, I'll merge all the files, share it as a single file. Don't worry. 10th is over, sir. After that, 12th, quickly, let's do it. Okay, what happened on 12th? Issue. Okay, I issued goods. How much goods I issued? I issued 15 units. Now, 15 units I issued. In that 5, I will issue at the rate of 6.5. Balance 10, I will issue at the rate of 5.75. So, this is fully gone. In this 40 was there, 10 is gone. That means 30 units at the rate of 5.75 is there. Yes or no, everyone? Till here things are fine. Shall we continue? But sir, no maja only, there is nothing new. Wait dear, maja will come slowly. Okay, thereafter comes 13th of September. Okay, issue. What did I issue? How much quantity? 20 units. Okay, at what rate? 5.75. What am I left with? 10 units at the rate of 5.75. Okay, perfect. Thereafter, what happened? 15th of September. Okay, what is happening? Received. I have received goods. How much quantity I have received? From which company? MN company. I received 25 units at the rate of 6.1. So 10 units is already there at the rate of 5.75. Fresh 25 units I received at the rate of 6.1. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. But no maja only. Wait, dear, maja will come. Give us some time. Okay, till here also it's over. Thereafter, what happened? 15th is over. Thereafter, 17th. On 17th, what did I do? I issued. How much quantity did I issue? I issued 10 units. At what rate? 5.75. So 5.75 goods is fully over. 25 units at the rate of 6.1. Okay, thereafter what happened? Came 19th of September. Okay, sir, 19th of September. What happened on 19th of September? Received a replacement from BN company. Look at this story. From BN company, I purchased 50 units. Okay, at what rate? 5.75. I did not like. I returned it back to him. Yes, how many units? 10 units. I returned it back to him. Now, as a good supplier, what he is doing? He is telling, oh my God, you did not like the goods. Don't worry, it was defective. I am sending you fresh goods. How much fresh goods he sent me? 10 units he sent me. Yes, that means all of you guys tell me one thing. I am receiving fresh goods. Fresh goods I am receiving. What is happening in stores? Whether goods are coming into stores, going out of stores. Receipt, issue. Sir, simple sir, we are receiving the goods. Okay, boss. So it will come under receipt column. How much quantity, students? 10 units. What rate, sir? Rate is not given. Now understand, originally at what price I purchased? 5.75. I did not like, so I sent it back to him. That means he is giving me fresh goods. What rate it will be? 5.75 only it will be. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Okay, so I will tell, okay, boss. Replacement is received, not a big deal. 10 units at the rate of 5.75. That means I am having 25 units at the rate of 6.1, 10 units at the rate of 5.75. Is this clear, everyone? Till here, any doubt? This was one slightly new adjustment, but I hope all of you were in a position to manage this. Nothing great here. Okay. Now comes the trick, the adjustment. Okay. I'll be spending roughly around 10 minutes. Yes, mind you, this is an exam-oriented batch, so I'll do things slightly faster. What is happening on 20th September? Returned from a department, material of MN company, 5 units. Now understand the story. This story is over. So let me just erase this. I don't want this. So understand. I am having stores. I am having production department. Okay, is this clear, everyone? Now understand, I would have issued some goods. Imagine, yes, I issued some goods to my production department. I issued 100 units to production department. Okay, fine. They did not like 10 units in that, or 10 units was extra. They wanted 90 only. 10 extra is there. So what they are doing? Returned from department. From production department, they are returning the goods. That means in stores, what is happening? I am receiving the goods. Yes or no, everyone? Is this first point clear? Yes, from production department, they are returning. To where they are returning? To stores. That means in stores, what am I doing? I am receiving the goods. So point number 1, it will come under my receipt column. Is this point clear for everyone? Yes, I want all of you guys to give me a confirmation. Okay, sir, it is clear. Now, I want the rate. How much quantity is returned? 5 units are returned. Okay, perfect. At what rate? Now, see what is my question telling. Returned from department, material of M and Company. M and Company's goods are returned. Tell me, from M and Company, at what price I had purchased the goods? If you see, yes, go back to 15th of September. From M and Company, I purchased goods at the rate of 6.1. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, everyone give me a confirmation. From M and Company, at what price I had purchased the goods? I had purchased the goods at 6.1 only. Yes or no, everyone? That means ideally which rate I should be taking? Ideally I should be telling 6.1. That means ideally what should have happened? Yes, pay attention everyone. 20th September, Maja is coming. La 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 la. Pay attention. Returned from department. How much goods are returned? Don't worry, entire note I'll give it to you. 5 units are returned. At what rate it is returned? 6.1 it is returned. Till here whether things are fine. Yes sir, till here things are fine. But wait, it is not fine. Why it is not fine? I'll tell you. Yes. Let me take one simple example. Yes, I want one volunteer here. Yes, I'll take one person's name. Okay, Ricky is there. Okay. Now understand one thing. Yes, I am asking Ricky. Ricky, give me my 100 rupees. Give me my 100 rupees. Give me my 100 rupees. Tell me, if Ricky has taken 100 rupees from me, he will give me back the 100 rupees. If I have not given 100 rupees to Ricky, is it possible for me to ask back my 100 rupees? Tell me students, logically, for you, if I have initially given you 100 rupees, tomorrow I am asking, give me back my 100 rupees. Makes sense. If I have not given you 100 rupees only, tomorrow can I ask, hey, give me my 100 rupees? You will tell what mad person this is. Yes or no, everyone. Now, same logic. If I have issued goods to production department, if I have sent goods to production department, okay boss, they will send it back to me. But if I have not sent goods only, is it possible for them to return the goods? I have not sent goods only to production department. Is it possible for them to return my goods? No sir, not possible. Is this clear, everyone? Now tell me one thing. Yes, M and Company, from M and Company, when did I purchase goods? I purchased on 15th of September. At what price? 6.1. Tell me, till today, did I issue goods of M and Company? Sir, on 15th it was lying in balance. On 17th also it was there with me in stores only. On 19th also it was there in stores with me. That means, till today, M and Company's goods I did not issue only, boss. If I have not issued only, is it possible for me to get the goods back? No. Yes or no, everyone? Now what is it? It is actually a typing error by ICI. It should have written B and Company, but they have written M and Company. That is what has happened. Okay, is this clear? That means ideally I should have taken 6.1, but because goods are not issued only, it is not possible to return. So I am now again in a small problem. Okay, fine. That means I got that, okay boss, some goods are returned, but which rate goods are returned, I don't know. Okay, till now what I have explained, yes, key points, pay attention. First one, goods are returned from production. That means in stores I am receiving receipt column. Which rate? If specific rate was available, I would have used that. But specific rate, those goods are not issued only, so I cannot use that. Then which goods I am going to return? Now pay attention everyone. Yes, imagine I am supplier, you are my customer. Okay, I am selling you the pen. Pay attention. Okay, yes, say, yes, last year I sold you one pen. Okay, this year, just 2 days back, I sold you another pen. Okay, pay attention everyone. Last year I sold you one pen, okay, which was at 100 rupees. This year, yes, just yesterday I sold you one pen, which is again, imagine, at 110 rupees. Same pen only. Last year its cost was 100, this year its cost is 110. Now you did not like the pen, you are returning me the pen. Which pen you are going to return? Which pen? Yes, you came back today. You are telling that, boss, I had purchased one pen from you, I did not like. Yes, more likely or not, which pen you are going to return? While you are returning the pen, what will I assume? Is it the pen you have purchased just yesterday, or is it the pen you have purchased long ago, before 1947? Yes, what is a common understanding? Boss, that if I do not like the product, immediately only I will return. Yes or no, everyone? Please give me a confirmation till here. Based on that, I will proceed further. Yes, so you guys are also telling me that, okay, 110 only. Yes or no? Simple logic. Imagine I have purchased goods from my supplier. If I did not like, will I wait for 3 years? Imagine you purchased the shirt. Okay, you purchased the shirt from nearby, say for example, you went to West Side, you purchased the shirt. You did not like it. Will you go after 3 years and tell, boss, 3 years back I had purchased shirt. I did not like only. I am giving it back to you now. He's asking for 3 years. What were you doing, boss? Yes or no, everyone? That means if at all goods are returned, I will be assuming that goods returned are from the latest issue, latest just now. Which goods I had sent, that they did not like, that they gave it back to me. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, that means I will see just before today, just before this date, which goods were issued. Look at this. Today is 20th. On 19th, did I issue any goods? No. On 18th, did I issue? No. On 17th, I had sent 10 units at the rate of 5.75. Oh. That means if production department is returning goods, which rate goods are these? These are goods of 5.75. Is this clear, everyone? Now logically I can just write the rates and leave it off. Okay, but to explain you what it is, why it is exactly the way it is, it will take time. Is this clear, everyone? Please give me a confirmation so that accordingly we can proceed further, students. Yes or no? Till here is it clear? Okay, so I'll be getting the value. Okay, now that means pay attention. I have written here. The comment also is written. Yes, in case of return of goods from production to stores, 20th September. First one, it will be shown in the receipt column of stores ledger. I am receiving goods. Yes, which rate? If specific rate is given in the question, I will use specific rate. If specific rate is not available in the question, what will be my assumption? I will always assume that it is from the latest issue, just before which goods had sent, that they have returned it back. Till here is it fine? Okay, sir, till here it is fine. No tension. Now, yes, sir, whether Maja is over? No, dear. Final adjustment is still there. Okay, for you guys, pay attention. Now I'll have to update my balance. Tell me, students, how will I update my balance? Yes, I'm already having 25 units at the rate of 6.1. Again, 10 units I'm having at the rate of 5.75. Again, these 5 units I'm having at the rate of 5.75. This is how my balance should be looking. Yes or no, everyone? If I want, I can merge the two, because both rate is same only. I can write 15 units at the rate of 5.75. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, but that's not the case. Sir, what on earth and all you are telling, sir? Pay attention. Give me some time. I will explain. Don't worry. Now, I want you guys to understand one very simple thing. Yes, pay attention, students. Even though it is just an exam-oriented batch, I am trying to explain everything in the most logical way. Imagine this is company premise. Within company, I am having stores. I am having production. Okay. Now, while I am following FIFO, I will see first in, first out. I will see, yes, first goods which is entering from company's perspective, not from store's perspective. From company's perspective, I will be seeing. Give me 5 minutes. I will make it clear. Don't worry. I will give you a shortcut also at the end. Okay. Now, understand, from B&N company, when did I purchase goods, sir? Sir, from B&N company, I purchased goods on 6th of September. Yes, how much units I purchased? I purchased 50 units at the rate of 5.75. Okay, thereafter, fresh goods into the company. When did I receive? Then on 15th I received fresh goods. Company's gate it is entering. This is from MN company. Yes, on 15th of September. Yes, MN company goods are entering. How many units? 25 units at the rate of 6.1. Thereafter, company's gate. Within company, whatever happens doesn't make a difference to me. Company's gate, when new goods I am getting replacement goods. That means I had initially purchased, I did not like, I sent it back to supplier. That means it went outside company. Again he is sending me fresh goods. Again fresh goods are coming into company's premise. When is it? Yes, it is on 19th of September. Again BN company, how much goods it is? 10 units at the rate of 5.75. Now understand students, this 25 units at the rate of 6.1 is already there with me in my balance. 10 units at the rate of 5.75 is already there with me in the balance. Now understand, from BN company, understand the entire story. Pay attention. Just take 10 seconds. Yes, let your mind be focused, dedicated. Pay attention, understand the story. Yes, what happened? From BN company, I purchased goods on 6th of September. That means it entered the factory gate on 6th. Thereafter, yes, every now and then I kept issuing these goods. After that, some other day I sent it to production, other time I sent it to production. This way I sent these goods to production. On 20th, what happened? On 17th, the goods I sent, they did not like, so they sent it back to me. Okay, now I am having these units in my balance. Okay. Now tell me how many units it was. It was 5 units at the rate of 5.75. So 50 units I have received. In that 45 is somewhere issued. 5 unit is still there with me here. That means while I am updating my balance, FIFO method, first in, first out, the item I have purchased first, I will show in the first line, which is the goods from company's perspective, from factory gate, which units I have purchased first. Which units are the goods I have purchased first? Sir, on 6th of September only to factory's gate, these 5 units at the rate of 5.75 have come. After that, on 15th, what happened? 25 units at the rate of 6.1 has come. After that, on 19th, to company's factories, 10 units at the rate of 5.75 has come. Yes or no, everyone? Give me a confirmation. That means while I am writing in the balance column, these 5 units at the rate of 5.75 will come in the first line. Is this clear? I'll give you one more example, don't worry. Till now, whether you got at least a reasonable feel of what I'm trying to tell. Yes, everyone, give me a confirmation. Sir, full mind messed up, sir, full headache. Don't worry. I'll give you one more example. Pay attention, students. With this example, things should be much more better. Pay attention. Everyone. Okay. Now, what happened? Yes, just a simple example I'll give you. Recording is... Okay, continues. Okay. Now, imagine this is me. This is my dad. Okay, wow. Fine. So we are one family. So what happened? After I became a CA, yes, I purchased the car. Yes, what was the first car I purchased? Imagine, first I purchased Alto. This is the first car I purchased, Alto. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. So first I purchased Alto. After some time, what happened? My dad told me, yes, while you're driving a car, your dad is not having a car. Does it make any sense? You're a chartered accountant. I made you a chartered accountant. So you have to give me a car. Yes, your car, you give it to me. Yes, you go in bike. Doesn't make a difference. So what happens? Yes, my dad tells, give me this car. So what I did? Yes, my car that I purchased, yes, that I love so much, I gave it to my dad. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. After that, what happened? Because I was not having any car, so I decided I will buy one more car. So this time what I did, imagine, I purchased my second car. Which car did I purchase now? Imagine I purchased a Fortuner. Imagine. Is this clear? Till here story is fine. Yes. So now, after some days, this hit my dad's ego. Yes, dad is telling my son is going in a Fortuner, I am going in an Alto. Doesn't make sense. So dad decided, let anything happen, I want a car bigger than my son's car. So he decided that he will be purchasing a BMW. Imagine he purchased a BMW and he told, my son, yes, the car that you have given it to me, I am giving it back to you. Take it, keep it with you, enjoy. This is what he told me. Is this clear, everyone? Now I decided, yes, I am having two cars. What will I do with two cars? Can I keep my one leg in one car, other leg in other car and keep going? Not possible. So I decided, let me sell one car. Which car I decided to sell? I decided to sell my oldest car. Pay attention, everyone. I decided to sell my oldest car. Which car will I be selling? Think and tell me. Yes, will I be selling Alto or will I be selling Fortuner? I decided to sell my oldest car. Which car will I be selling? Alto or Fortuner? Sir, it is but obvious. Your oldest car is Alto, so I will be selling Alto. Yes or no, everyone? Exactly the same thing I am telling. Yes, doesn't matter. Yes, we are one family. First I purchased Alto, then I gave it to my dad. Interdepartmental transfer I did. In the meantime, I purchased Fortuner. Then I'm getting it back from my dad. It doesn't change the fact that for me, for us as a family, the oldest car is still Alto. Yes or no, everyone? Same story is happening here. Yes, from BN company, I purchased the goods on 6th. I issued it to my production department. Again, I'm getting it back. That doesn't change the fact that still for the company, the oldest goods is still BN company of 6th of September. Now I hope the point is exactly crystal clear. Yes or no, everyone? That means while I'm updating my balance, what will I do? What will I do is, I will tell, okay boss, this from company's perspective is the oldest. So I will write in the first line 5 units at the rate of 5.75. Then I'm having 25 units at the rate of 6.1, 10 units at the rate of 5.75. This is how my balance column is going to look. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Give me a confirmation. Now sir, mind is fully messed up. What did you do? Don't worry. Yes, I've written a simple note. If you just, yes, for this adjustment, if you just remember, this is sufficient. I'm, yes, summarizing everything I've discussed in the last 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, return of goods from production to stores. I had sent goods to production. They did not like, they are sending it back. Where will goods come? Firstly, it will come in receipt column. Okay. Which rate should I be using? If I know which specific rate, I will use the specific rate. I don't know the specific rate. What I will do? Imagine it is from the latest issue. Okay, sir. While I am writing, updating my balance column, yes, remember the very simple rule. I will always write in the first column, first line of balance column. Story is over. Okay. Yes. So everywhere we are having difficult adjustments, we have incorporated this as well. So I want you guys also to do this. Whenever these are, you see these tricky adjustments, what is the crux of that? Write it down separately. So that next time, even though you cannot read the question, in this entire question, what was new? Only this point was new. Now you know exactly what you will have to do, how you will have to tackle this question. Is this clear, everyone? You guys can take a screenshot of this. Subsequently, write it by yourself. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Any assumption to be given in the footnote? Need not give. Fine, sufficient. Okay. Shall we continue? Yes, sir. Let us continue. Mind is messed up, but sir, what to do? No option. Okay, we don't have an option. Yes, Maja is actually coming. Yes or no? Don't worry. This is just the first of the question. We have more questions. Okay. Full Maja only. Today by end, yes, while you're going to sleep, yes, you'll be like, Maja. Too much Maja. Okay, don't worry. Okay, 20th is over. Okay, thereafter what is happening? Pay attention. On 22nd, we are doing transfer from one job to other job. I've explained this already in our concept video. Yes, inter-job transfer. There will be no record, no entry in my stores ledger because just between the jobs they are doing. For us, it is not. We are not even receiving, not even issuing. So leave it. 26th, I issued goods. 26th of September, I issued goods. How many goods I issued? 10 units I issued. At what rate? 5 is available at 5.75. Balance 5, I will take it 6.1. That means right now I am having 25 at 6.1. 5 is gone, so I will be left with 20 at 6.1. as well as 10 at 5.75. Okay, 26th is also over. Then comes 29th. Again, interdepartmental transfer from one department to other department. Again, I've told interdepartmental transfer, there will be no impact in my stores ledger. I will not be putting the journal entry. Okay, concept I've already explained. Yes, 30th of September, we are having shortage in stock taking. There is a shortage. Okay, what kind of shortage is it? Whether question has specified. No sir, it has not specified. That means we'll have to take an assumption and accordingly do it. Okay, fine. Now what will I do? I will just finish it off here. Okay, now pay attention. What date it was? 30th of September. Shortage. Yes, firstly tell me how much quantity shortage is there? How much quantity shortage is there? I think 2 units shortage is there. Yes, what is the first rate available to me? At the rate of 6.1. So I will assume it is my abnormal shortage. Yes, so it will be transferred to costing P&L. So I'll tell, okay boss, I am following FIFO. 20 units at the rate 6.1 was there, 10 units at the rate 5.75 was there. Yes, I lost 2 units. Which units I lost? FIFO, first units. That is 2 units at the rate of 6.1 I lost. That means I'm having 18 units at the rate of 6.1. Again, fresh, I'm having 10 units at the rate of 5.75. Based on that, I can accordingly be updating my balance. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Okay, yes, in the entire question, if I have to just summarize the entire question, 3 places you can commit mistakes. What are the 3 places? Firstly, received replacement. While I am receiving replacement, fresh goods will come under receipt. Simple. Yes, you should not be committing mistake. Second is inter-job or inter-departmental transfer. I have told you there will be no entry. Third is returned from department. This is the things you should be doing. Firstly, returned from department means a receipt column. Which rate? Specific rate is available, use it. Otherwise, assume from latest issue. And the third one, balance column. Yes, write it in the first line of balance column. Is this clear, everyone? Sir, why abnormal loss? Nothing as such. We are just assuming. Okay. In case of FIFO, it is better to assume abnormal loss. Because if it comes to, if you are assuming it as normal loss, then how are you going to show the adjustment? How you will increase the cost per unit? Because it is FIFO, yes, even if it is normal loss, pay attention, ICA has assumed abnormal loss. Even if it is normal loss, what you would have done? Pay attention, I am just explaining, it is nowhere there. Even if it was normal loss, I would have told, okay boss, 2 units is gone. Yes, 18 units is there. I will do 20 into 6.1, which is the total value. 122. Yes, it is a FIFO. So I'll assume 20 units was there, boss. For that, total value was 122. In the 2 units, I know before only will go off. That means effectively 122 I paid for 18 units. Accordingly, I'll be calculating my per unit cost inflated. Is this clear, everyone? I didn't want to do that. Yes, I didn't want to explain that also. Yes, IC has not done it this way. Yes, IC has assumed abnormal loss. So we will also assume abnormal loss. Is this clear, everyone? Assume abnormal loss, give a note. As simple as that. Okay. 2 units at the rate of 6.1 is lost. That means I'm having 18 units at the rate of 6.1. This is going to be my answer. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. Maja is coming. Yes, everyone. So look at the solution. Okay, all these notes are given. At the end, shortage, 2 units at the rate of 6.1, 18 units at the rate of 6.1, 10 units at the rate of 5.75. 20th, if you see, 5 units at the rate of 5.75, balance 5 units at the rate of 5.75 came in the first line. Is this clear, everyone? This is how ICA has done. Okay, boss. Yes, take a minute for yourself. Yes, everyone. So what we will tell for this question? This question was a Maja is coming. Hello, honey bunny. Yes or no? We are crying. Hello, honey bunny. ICA is like smiling. Hello, honey bunny. Po. Gone is our life. Yes or no? Yes, we will have difficult questions. How we approach that is going to make a difference. If you think, oh my God, difficult. Okay. Yes, it is going to teach us so many more things. Okay, na? Yes, just take a minute for yourself. Let this sink in your mind, then we'll go ahead. Okay. Yes, everyone, can we go to the next set of questions? Okay. Now that we have solved this question, stores ledger as a concept is over. You have one more question here. Question number 22. You guys can try it by yourself. You can just see that question once. There is absolutely nothing in that question. If you want, you can see it once. As simple as that. Is this clear, everyone? I'm not going to show it to you again. If I want, I can show also. There is nothing actually. Question number 22. Okay, look at this. Opening stock is there. 2 purchases, 2 issues. Yes, calculate as per FIFO, LIFO as well as weighted average. We were doing it in +1, +2. Okay. Probability of being asked in examination is very less, but still, because the question was there, I have just shown it to you guys. Okay, everyone. Okay, sir. Next, we are going to the next concept, which is ABC analysis. So let's quickly summarize the concept. Sir, there is nothing there in this concept. ABC analysis. It tells that I will classify my items in stores into A category, B category, C category. What are A category items? Most valuable items. Roughly, yes, they will constitute 70% of value. Value wise is very high, but quantity is very low. Yes, so they'll have 70% of value, but only 10% of quantity. Yes, B category means medium value. Yes, 20% of value, 20% of quantity. C category, very less value. That is only 10% value, but in terms of quantity, too much quantity is there. Which items I'll have to focus more? I'll have to give first priority A, second priority B, third priority C. Is this clear, everyone? Just remember the number 70, 20, 10. A category 70, B category 20, C category 10. While we are solving the question, yes, what are the steps to be followed? Question will give me the data. It will tell me units as well as cost per unit. Firstly, I will write down the quantity. Based on that, I will calculate percentage of quantity. Then I will calculate the value based on that percentage of value. Based on that, I will do the ranking. This is table number 1. Based on that, table number 2, I will rearrange the entire table based on the value. Based on that, yes, wherever I am getting cumulative 70%, I will call it as A category. Yes, 90%, that is 70 plus 20, 90% I will call it as B category. 100% I will call it as C category. Let us directly go into the questions. Things will be clear. Don't worry, I am here. Aha. See the rhyme. Things will be clear. I am here. Oh my God. Okay. Yes. Which question we are going? I will just close this. This is also, I'll just close this temporarily. Additional question mark is also not required. Okay. ABC analysis. Firstly, we are having study material question number 23 as well as 24. But we will not go to those questions. We will first directly go to question 25. Why, sir? We will come back. Don't worry. Let us see this question. This question has come in July 21 examination for 5 marks. So let us see what this question is trying to tell us. Limited has provided the following information about items of inventory. Items are there. Item number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How much units is there? That is given. Every unit at what cost it is purchased, that is also given. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, fine. Now, has a policy, company is having a policy of classifying items constituting 15% or above as A category. That means, look at this. If the item is giving you 15% or more, I will tell A category. 6% or below as C category, and remaining as B category. What is it telling? Pay attention. I will just add a page here. Look at the students. Imagine I am drawing a line. Yes. Very important suggestion for all of you guys. A line should be always straight. Okay, keep it in mind. Yes. What is my question telling? if it is 15% or above, 15 or above, which category it is? A category. Okay, then what did my question tell? What did my question tell? If it is 6% or below, this is 6%, that is 6% or below, that means 6 also where it will come? Yes, in the C category. That means in between this, that is from 6 to 15, I will have my B category. Yes or no, everyone? Is this clear? Perfect. So based on this, we'll have to do our ABC analysis. Pay attention, simple question only. We'll finish it off quickly. So I have written down all the things here. Now you guys just pay attention. Yes, if you want, you can quickly scribble down. Yes, what I have done. Firstly, sir, what all data was there? Nah? Yes, that entire data I have written. Yes, item number, yes, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. How much number of units were there? I wrote all of that, yes, without committing any mistakes. Now I will calculate the percentage of units. Now pay attention, everyone. Units 25, 350, 75, 225, 75. Altogether 750 units are there. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Now, do you know something called as constant function on your calculator? If you have to multiply a constant number. Yes, I'll give you a very simple example. Pay attention. I'll give you a very simple example and delete it. Yes, I'll just be taking 2 minutes. Imagine I have to do 10 into 2, 10 into 3, 10 into 5. Normally, how do we do it on our calculator? We will press AC. 10 into 2 equals, I got 20. Then I will again press AC. 10 into 3 equals, I got 30. Again I'll press AC. 10 into 5 equals, again I got 50. But if you see properly, this 10 as a number is multiplying everywhere. This is a constant number. So now what I can do is, instead of doing it this way, yes, pay attention. Yes, these are the steps you can follow. First 10. Write down 10 on your calculator. Press into. Okay, 2 equals 20. Nothing new till here. But now you will not be pressing AC, nothing you will press. Directly you will write 3 equals. You will get 30. Directly you will write 5 equals. You will get 50. Yes or no, everyone? For most of you guys, 90% of students, this should work. But sir, in my calculator it is not working. In that case, what you'll have to do is, you will have to put the into sign 2 times. That is 10 into 2 equals will give you 20, 3 equals will give you 30, 5 equals will give you 50. Sir, why all these you are telling, sir? Unnecessary. Now understand, just a knowledge of constant function will help you a lot when you are having ratios. Trust me, this chapter ABC analysis, overhead and ABC chapter, yes, it will help you immensely if you know how to use a constant function. Pay attention, everyone. Imagine I am telling 200 rupees I have to distribute in the ratio 50 is to 30 is to 20. How do I do? Yes, imagine for A I will tell 200 into 50 upon 50 plus 30 plus 20 is 100. B I will tell 200 into 30 upon 100. C I will tell 200 into 20 upon 100. Normally in our calculator we will do 200 into 50 divided by 100 equals AC. 200 into 30 divided by 100 equals AC. 200 into 20 divided by 100 equals AC. But pay attention, everyone. Yes, everywhere 200 is getting multiplied and 100 is getting divided. 200 is getting multiplied, 100 is getting divided. 200 is getting multiplied, 100 is getting divided. That means this is my constant. Yes or no, everyone? That means while I am doing my calculation, how can I do? I will first do this 200 divided by 100 into, yes, if it is 1 time, 1 time. If it is 2 time on your calculator, 2 time. 50 equals 100, 30 equals 60, 20 equals 40. Directly I am getting my values. Is this clear, everyone? I hope things are fine. I did not tell it very slowly. If you feel like listening it to it one more time, you guys can rewind and listen to it. Okay. Now I am going back. Pay attention, everyone. Here I'll have to calculate. So look at this, everyone. Everywhere my percentage will be 25 divided by total is 750 into 100. That means if you see everywhere, 100 divided by 750 is constant. So on my calculator, I will do 100 divided by 750 into 25. It is 3.33%. 300, it is 39.940%. 50, which is 6.66%. 75, which is 9.99, that is 10%. 225, which is 29.9, 30%. 75, which is 9.99, which is 10%. This is how we do our calculations faster. Trust me, students, just a knowledge of constant function will at least save 10 minutes of your time in the examination. Trust me in costing an FM. Okay. Now this is over, sir. Now what we have to do? Individually cost is given. If I multiply, I will get the total cost. Pay attention, everyone. Item number 101, 25 items are there. Every item I purchased at 50. That means total cost is 1250. Similarly, I will do for item number 2. Total cost is 300. Item number 3. Total cost is 4000. Item number 4. Total cost is 600. Item number 5. It is 450. Item number 6. It is 900. Yes or no, everyone? If I'll add the total value will be 7500 rupees. Okay. Now I'll again calculate percentage. Pay attention. Everywhere 7500 is getting divided, 100 is getting multiplied. So 100 divided by 7500 into 1 time or 2 time. Yes, do it. You will be getting the percentage as 16.67%, 4%, 53.33%, 8%, 6%, 12%. Okay, everyone. So now understand. Data was given. What did I do? First, I calculated value. Based on value, I calculated percentage of total value. Secondly, I also calculated percentage of units. Now I'll have to be giving the ranking. Tell me, students, which item is the most valuable item? Most valuable. Look at this entire data and tell me which is having the highest value. 4000 rupees or 53%. For this, I will tell first rank. Second most valuable is this item. I will tell second rank. Third most valuable is this item. Third rank. Fourth most valuable. Fifth valuable. Sixth valuable. I have given the ranking. Yes or no, everyone? Now based on that, simple question has told me how to do ABC classification. Yes, directly I can finish it off. What did my question tell? My question told me that if it is 15% or above, 15% or more than 15%, it is A category. Okay, 6% or below, less than 6% means C category. In between that means B category. That means, tell me one thing, students. First item, it is 16.67%. Which category will it fall? 16.67%. It will fall under A category. Okay, sir. Second item, 4% only. Look at this. 15 or above is A. From here till here is A. 6 or below is C. In between this is B. 4, it is less than 6. That means C category. 53.33, A category. 8%, it is beyond 6. That means B category. 6%, exactly 6. Which category, students? 6 or below, C category. 12, B category. Till here, is this fine, everyone? Now, ideally, my story was over here only. Here only I can do the classification and tell which all will come under A category, students. Item number 101 and item number 103 is A category. B category, item number 104 and 106. C category, item number 102 and 105. This much only if I do, also it is sufficient. But what ICA has done is they have rearranged the data. Now pay attention, everyone. Okay. Today's session is slightly getting a bit complicated, yes or no, everyone? Don't worry. Concept by concept. Yes, we'll keep understanding. Don't worry. Okay. It's simple only. Pay attention. Okay. At the end of every question, we'll have to tell. It is simple. If it is not simple, we will make it simple. We will understand. Slowly, in bits and pieces, we'll understand it. Pay attention, everyone. Now, what I am going to do is, imagine this was not there. Yes, in this question, I had specifically told how to categorize it as A, B, C. If question did not tell, what would I do? Tell me, what is A category? Most valuable item. In this, what is the most valuable item? Item number 103. After that, second most valuable item is which? 101. Third most valuable is 106. Fourth most valuable is 104. Fifth most valuable is 102. Sixth most valuable is 105. Is this clear, everyone? So what we will do is we will have to reclassify the data. Data is given, that is mixed. Imagine I am having 6 items. In that, which is the most valuable first ranked item, that I will write first. I have written the data. Yes, which is the second ranked item, that I will write second. Yes, which is the third ranked item, that I will write third. Fourth ranked item I will write. Let me delete it. Okay, fourth ranked item I will write it fourth. Fifth ranked item I will write it fifth. Sixth ranked item I will write it sixth. Is this clear, everyone? Now imagine question did not tell me. Now I have calculated the individual percentage, yes or no. I will also calculate the cumulative percentage. Sir, what is cumulative percentage? If I take only item number 103, how much percentage it covers? 53.33 percentage. Now in A category, roughly how much percentage I should be covering? 70 percentage, yes or no? So along with item number 103, if I include item number 101 also, item number 101, how much percentage it is on a standalone basis? 16.66. So first item as well as second item together, how much it is? It is 53.33 plus 16.67, which will make it together 70%, yes or no? Perfect. With that, if I add third item also, it is 12%, 82. Fourth item also, it is roughly around 8%, that means 90%. Fifth item also 6%, that means 96%. Sixth item also 4%, which is roughly 100%. Is this clear, everyone? Now, if question did not tell me the basis, okay, what I would have done? Up to 70%, I would have told A category. Then 70 to 90, closest I would have told B. Then balance I would have told it as C. This is if question did not tell me, but here question has specifically told me, na, I will follow that. Even if I follow that also, the answer is going to be same only, because 15 or more, this is A. Okay, 6 or less, this is C. In between, this is B. Is this clear, everyone? Please give me a confirmation. Yes, in A category, I have item 103 and 101. B category I have 106 and 104. C category I have 105 and 10. Wait. 2 it is. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So again, let me just summarize things for you. Pay attention. Question will give you quantity, price per unit. Yes, firstly, in the same data, I will write down that data, multiply, I will get the value. I will calculate the percentage of value. Based on that, I will give the ranking. Now, based on the ranking, I will rearrange the data. First ranked item, I will write first. Second ranked item, I will write second. Third ranked item, I will write third. So on and so forth. Then I will calculate cumulative percentage, because total, yes, 70% of items, highest value 70%, I will tell A category. 70 to 90%. Next 20% I will tell B category. Balance I will be telling C category. Is this clear? Now this number of 70, 90, 100, exactly it is not necessary it should reach 70 only. It can be 69 also, it can be 72 also, 74 also. More or less slightly up or down is possible. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no, yes or no, yes or no? Yes, but in this question had specifically told me. Now ideally for this question, this statement was not required only. Without this also I could have told. Why? Because question told me need not calculate 70%, cumulative and all don't do, boss. Individually 15% or more, it is A. Individually 6% or less, it is C. In between, it is B. End of my story. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Give me a confirmation. Mind is heavy a bit. Manageable. Okay, na? Perfect. Okay. Now let us go to one more question. Pay attention. Which is question number 23. What is question number 23? Pay attention everyone. This I have done, same thing only IC has done. First two, next two, last two. I will come to question number 23, which is a question from study material. Pay attention everyone. Look at the question. From the following details, prepare a plan of ABC selective control. Items are there, 1 to 12, 12 different items are there. Units are there, cost per unit is there. Okay everyone, that means if I multiply the two, yes, item number 1, 7,000 units are there. Every item I have purchased it at 5 rupees. That means total 35,000 is the value. Similarly, second, third, fourth, for every item I will calculate the value. Yes or no everyone? Perfect. So look at this, for every item, did I write it there already? Look at this everyone. Firstly, I wrote down the units, I wrote down the cost per unit, I multiplied, I got the value. All value I got. Total value came to 3,55,770. Now based on that, I will be calculating the percentage of value. I have told you how to calculate the percentage. It is 35,000. For one number you can do 35,000 divided by 355,770 into 100. Everywhere 100 is getting multiplied, 355,770 is getting divided. That means I'll take it as constant. 100 divided by 355,770 into 35,000, which gives me 9.83%. 72,000, which gives me 20.23%. Balance things I'll copy from here. 4.21%, 3.71%, 16.02%, 5.62%, 3.37%, 2.95%, 0.67%, 3.26%, 22.95%, 7.14%. Okay, I've calculated all the percentage. Now I'll have to give the ranking. Tell me students, in terms of ranking, which is the highest value? This is the highest rank. Yes or no everyone? So this will be first rank. Second rank, sir. I think 20% is going to be my second rank. Third rank, sir. 16% is third rank, I think. Fourth rank, sir. Fourth. 9.83 should be fourth rank. Fifth, I think 7%. This should be fifth. Sixth, 5% should be sixth. Seventh should be 4.21. Eighth should be 3.71. Ninth should be 3.26. Sorry, 3.37 is there. 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Yes or no? 4, 2, 7, 8, 3, 6, 9, 11, 12, 10, 1, 5. Till here things are fine? Okay, sir. Now what we'll have to do? We'll have to rearrange this. Now, sir, why you are doing this? You have already explained in the previous question. Why I am doing it is because IC has committed a blunder in this question. Just to explain that I am doing this. Pay attention. I have rearranged the entire thing. Yes, first ranked item is item number 11. That will be first item. Item number 11. Second ranked is going to be item number 2. Yes, third ranked is item number 5. Fourth rank is item number 1. So on and so forth. I went on writing. Yes, I wrote the percentage of total units. I wrote the cost. I wrote the percentage of total cost. Now I'll have to calculate the cumulative percentage. If I take only first ranked item, how much percentage will it cover? 22.95%. If I include first rank plus second rank, 20.23. Both will together cover 43.18%. Yes, third item also if I include 16.02. It will cover 59.2%. Fourth also if I take 9.83, it will cover 69.03%. Fifth also if I add 7.14, it will cover 76.17. Sixth also if I add 5.62, it will become 81.79. Seventh if I add 4.21, it will become 86. Eighth also I'll add 3.71, 89.71. Ninth also if I add 3.37, become 93.08. 10th if I add 3.26, become 96.34, 2.95, 99.29. Last one if I add 100%. Small rounding off is yes possible. Sir, is it necessary to calculate the percentage of units? Actually, yes. Percentage of units is actually not needed for me to do the analysis. But ICA has done it. That's why I have written. Otherwise, I yes advise them. Yes, why chumma unnecessarily yes complicate and confuse things. Okay, but because ICA has written, I have just written it here. Now, how will I classify? First 70% is going to be a category. Now look at this 70%. Here somewhere it comes. Yes, this is 69, this is 76. Exact 70 is not there. Which is closest to 70? 69. That means still here items I will be putting under a category. Is this clear? First 4 items. Then 70 to 90. Closest to 90. Where is closest to 90? 89.71 is closest to 90. So next 4 items ideally should be in my B category. Yes or no? So I will tell this is B, 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 B. 90 to 100, last 4 items should ideally be in my C category. Is this clear? This should have been ideally my answer. But what ICA has done, ICA has again committed a blunder here. Now, sir, why you are telling ICA has committed a blunder here? Okay. Now, what ICA has done, I will show ICA's answer. First 4 items should be in A category. Now, I will just show ICA's answer. Pay attention, everyone. What ICA has done, obviously, initially they have calculated total cost, percentage, ranking. Till here, it's the same only. Second table, while I am doing my selective control. Yes, what is the basis for selective control? Assumed. They are telling if an item is 50,000 or more, we will assume it as A category. We are asking why should we assume, and why should we assume as 50,000? If it is given in the question, yes, the previous question I solved, question told me that if it is 15,000 or more, you take it as A category. In that case, I will take it, boss. I will not put my head, I will not worry so much. Question has told 15,000 or more means A category, I will do it. But here whether question has told me, no, question has not told me. That means, is it possible for me to take that assumption? No, it is not possible. But sir, if you want to take that assumption, whether God will come in the examination center and tell you that, son, what's exactly if it is 50,000 or more, take A. If it is 15,000 to 50,000, take B. If it is less than 15,000, take C. Is this exact number going to be registered in our mind? Can I by heart and go to the examination? What if they change the numbers? Yes, so this is not possible for us. I have told you, wherever I can give ICA's solution, 99.9% places, I will give you ICA's solution only. But this is that one place. Either question should have given me that note, that basis for ABC categorization, item constituting value of 50,000 or more, A category, 15 to 50, B category, less than 15, C category. If question had told me that, directly I would have done that. But because question did not tell me, that means ideally how should I do? Yes, closest to 70% is A category, closest to 90% is B category, balance is C category. That is the only way that we as a student can write in the examination. Is this clear, everyone? So I have written that also. Look at this. ICA has assumed that more than 50,000 A, 15 to 50 is B. Yes, all these things is given. Yes, ICA has assumed, but this is not given in the question. So if in the examination basis is not given, we will always be doing the basis based on 70, 90 and 100. Is this clear, everyone? That I have given here also. Pay attention. A very big note I have given here. yes, comment. ICA has specifically not given any basis for bifurcation. In the absence of specific information, we will always allocate first 78% items into A, next 20% into B, and balance 10% into C. However, this is what ICA has assumed. Because this is not given, it is not possible for us to follow in the examination. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Okay. Now, while we are solving questions, in every question we are feeling it is adjustment burden. But while you go back, yes, let all the dust settle in. Okay. Peacefully look at these things. Whatever is new, just write it down and keep as simple as that. Okay, na? Perfect. Shall we continue, students? We will solve one more question. After that, I'll give you a small micro break of 2-3 minutes. Is this fine, everyone? Give me a confirmation. Accordingly, we will continue. Even I'm also tired a bit more today. Don't know why. Probably because I'm shouting a lot more than I normally do. Now I doubt whether by 9:30 this chapter will get over or not. Because there is one more beautiful question and one more RTP discussion. Two challenging things. Okay. Shall we continue, everyone? Yes, this sound is fine, right? This sound that I'm speaking right now, are you in a position to understand, listen? The voice is fine. Unnecessarily I'm shouting is what I feel. We will finish today. Yes, we'll try maximum, dear Sai. That was my objective also, that maximum I should finish it off. I was thinking next chapter also one topic I should take today. Okay, then we'll continue. Yes, everyone, just take deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Whenever you're tired, yes, just try taking deep breaths. Okay, breathe in through your nose. While you're breathing out, yes, one thing, that helps a lot. Okay, yes, imagine there's a straw and through that you try releasing. Like breathe in. While you're doing a breathe out, imagine that there's a straw here. From that you try releasing slowly. Take a long exhale. It helps you calm your mind. Okay, do it 5 to 10 times. I give some free yoga sessions also. Okay, it has personally helped me in between. That's all. Okay, now pay attention, everyone. We will go further, sir. We are having one more question. Okay, question number 24. With that, ABC analysis will be over. Quickly, it will get over. Pay attention, students. Question number 24. A factory uses 4,000 varieties of inventory. In a factory, how much different items are there? 4,000 items are there, boss. Okay. In terms of inventory holding and inventory usage, following information is compiled. I am telling, imagine 3 category items are there. Category 1 item, category 2 item, category 3 item. Yes, category 1, how much items are there? Number of varieties of inventory. How much items are there? 3,875 items are there, boss. Out of 4,000, 3,875 items. That means in terms of quantity, very high quantity is there. That is a total. Yes, it is giving total 96% of total quantity. But in terms of value of percentage, yes, value of inventory holding, how much value it is having? Only 20% value. Yes or no? Quantity is very high. Value is very low. In terms of percentage of inventory usage, in the end product, how much use it is having? Just 5%. Use is also very low. Tell me which item is this? Quantity is very high, highest quantity, but value is the lowest. Which category item is this, students? This is my C category item. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. Because quantity is very high, value is very low. I will come to the last item. Yes, how much items are there? Only 15 units are there. Quantity is very, 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 very less. It is only 0.37%. But in terms of value, this very less quantity, it is having total 50% value. Aha, very much valuable. And in terms of its usage in the end product, it is having 85% use. That means my end product is mainly dependent on this only. This is very valuable. That means which category will it come, students? Quantity is very less, but value is the highest. That means this is my A category. Yes, in between the two, I am having 110 items. Quantity is in between, value is also in between, will fall under my B category. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, so it's the same answer. They have given the presentation here. You guys can read the presentation once by yourself. Okay, everyone? Perfect. Yes, so with this we have finished ABC analysis also. So understand, we are discussing material costing chapter. In that, EOQ is over, inventory levels is over, material turnover ratio is over, stores ledger is over, ABC analysis is over. We have one final concept, which is material cost calculation. Yes, we'll take a small break of 1.5 minutes. Now it is 8:35 p.m. Exactly at 8:37, we'll continue our discussion. Just for 1.5 minutes, don't use your phone. If you want, you can just close your eyes. Just let the thoughts settle in. Okay, we will continue our discussion, students. Yes, students, so let us continue our discussion, everyone. Yes, we have the final concept of this chapter, that is material cost calculation. Finally, why am I doing all this tension? Because ultimately I want to know, in the finished goods that I am producing, yes, there is a component called as direct material. What is the cost of my direct material? In that, what all should I include? Okay, simple two principles, students. I have told, if I am incurring any abnormal item, tell me whether abnormal item will form part of my cost. No, it will not form part of my cost. It will be transferred to costing period. If credit is available against cost, today I am paying 100 rupees, but that 100 rupees I will get it back some other day. Will that be cost? Again, it is not my cost. Is this clear, everyone? Based on that, some special items we have seen: trade discount, quantity discount, subsidy grant incentive. All these are reductions. Yes, I will reduce it to calculate my cost. If I am having cash discount, supplier gave me cash discount. Tell me, students, why am I getting cash discount? Is it to purchase raw material? No. After purchasing, if I make the payment early, for making early payment, he is giving me the discount. That means it is nothing but the interest component of early payment. Yes or no? Yes, 1 lakh I had to pay after 6 months. But because I am paying 1 lakh today itself, he is giving me a small 2000 reduction. What is that? It is as good as telling it is a present value. It is a discount factor. Yes or no, everyone? So it is in the form of interest and financing charges. It is not a reduction of cost. So I will not reduce my cash discount. Okay, fine. Taxes, in that GST I am paying. If I am getting input tax credit, that means is it cost? No. Whatever I am paying, I am getting it back as credit. It is not cost. But I am not getting credit. Section 17(5) is not allowing, or I have not taken registration, I am not getting credit. Then in that case, it is cost. Any other taxes I am paying, yes, customs, octroi, yes, entry tax, entertainment tax, all those are cost. Penalty, demurrage, detention charges, fines, all these are abnormal items. So it will not form part of cost. Container, I purchased container. Say for example, with the raw material, imagine I purchased pen. Yes, along with that, I wanted a container, packing container. Yes, for packing container, I paid 10 rupees. Now I am asking what kind of container it is. It is a non-returnable container. Supplier is telling you cannot return back the container. That means whatever amount you paid to that container, 10 rupees, will you get it back? No. That means is it cost? Yes, it is cost, sir. Now supplier is telling it is returnable. That means now you take this container. After that you give me back the container. Yes, that means if I return the container, will I be getting back my money? Yes, I will be getting back my money. If I get back my money, is it cost? No. If I get full refund, I am asking how much money I will get it back. 10 rupees I have paid. If I am getting full 10 rupees back, it is not cost. I am only getting partial refund. He is telling, now you are paying 10 rupees, now 6 rupees I will give it back to you. That means 6 rupees is not cost, but the balance amount which is not refunded will be my cost. Is this clear, everyone? And if I am incurring any incidental expenses, freight inward, insurance, commission, etc., all these are incidental expense, they will also form part of my cost. Is this clear, everyone? Shall we now discuss questions? Everyone, please give me a confirmation. Shall we discuss the questions, students? Okay. Based on this, we have some questions in our question bank. Material cost calculation, pay attention everyone. Study material, I think we are having some 2 questions from study material. Okay. First I will go to this item, question number 27. This I will finish it off here itself. Pay attention students. At what price per unit, they are asking per unit cost, will part number A32 be entered in the store's ledger if the following invoice is received from a supplier? Pay attention everyone. 200 units I purchased. At what price I purchased? At the rate of 5. So 200 into 5, 1000 rupees I paid. Okay, 1000 rupees should be my cost. But he has given me a 20% discount. At the time of purchasing only he has given me 20% discount. Tell me students, will I be reducing my discount? Yes, I will be reducing discount. Yes, that means effectively how much only cost I am incurring? 800 only cost. Okay. Now they are telling add GST at 12%. 12% GST I am paying on 800. 96 rupees I paid as GST. Tell me what is the treatment of GST? If I am getting it back as credit, input tax credit, is it cost? Not cost. Look at this. Document substantiating payment of GST are enclosed for claiming input tax credit. That means I am eligible to input tax credit. That means tell me students, tell me. Whatever GST I have paid 96 rupees, is it my cost? No, it is not my cost. 800 only is my cost. Yes or no everyone? Perfect. So this is not my cost. In addition to that, okay, I have paid packing charges for 5 non-returnable box. Box cannot be returned. That means the amount I paid, will I be getting it back? No. That means is it my cost? Yes, it is my cost. So 800 plus 50, 850 is my cost. 2% cash discount they are giving, but whether cash discount will be reduced? No, it will not be reduced. So how much cost I incurred? I incurred 850 rupees for how many units? 200 units. That means effectively for 1 unit, how much it is? 850 divided by 200. Is it 4.25 per unit? Yes or no everyone? 4.25 per unit. It's the same answer. You guys can see the presentation. They have given note also telling that cash discount, interest and financing, so it is not considered. ITC is available, so not a cost. 4.25 is my cost. Is this clear everyone? Okay sir. Yes, finally we are back to simple questions. Yes or no? Now one more question is there. Pay attention. This is also a simple question. One more question is there. That is also going to be a simple question. Pay attention. Question number 26. An invoice in respect of consignment of chemical A and B provides the following information. I am having 2 chemicals, which all A, chemical B. Chemical A, how much quantity I purchased? 10,000 units. At what price? 10 rupees. 1 lakh I paid for that. Chemical B, how much I purchased? 8,000 kg at the rate of 13. 1 lakh 4,000 I paid. Okay, fine. Basic customs duty I am paying 10%. While I am importing, customs duty I will have to pay. They are telling 10%. Yes, credit is not allowed. That means it is going to be cost 20,400. So total value is 2,04,000. So 10% of that I am paying customs duty. Okay, fine. Railway freight I have paid how much? 3,840. Okay, sir, fine. I got the total cost. A shortage of 500 kg in chemical A and 320 kg in chemical B is noticed due to normal breakage. What kind of shortage it is? Normal shortage it is. Okay, fine. You are required to calculate the rate per kg of each chemical. Pay attention. What I have to calculate? Rate per kg. That means cost per unit I will have to calculate, assuming a further 2% provision for further deterioration. Okay, sir. We have read the question somewhere. Let us try to solve it. Very simple question. 2 to 3 minutes we will be getting the solution. Pay attention. Now. Okay, question number 26. Chemical A is there, chemical B is there. Simple principle, whenever I am in costing subject, the moment I tell cost, I only want normal cost. Is this clear everyone? Now I have 2 chemicals. That means all my cost I'll have to write separately. For chemical A how much, for chemical B how much. Yes or no everyone? So let us try seeing. Pay attention everyone. First I will tell purchase cost. For purchasing chemical A, how much I paid? I paid 1 lakh, sir. Okay, good. For chemical B, how much I paid? I paid 1 lakh 4,000, sir. Okay, good. Yes, after that, what did I do? I paid basic customs duty, BCD. Yes, BCD is not a, yes, swear word. Yes, it is basic customs duty. Yes, how much customs duty I am paying? Yes, it is 10% of cost. Tell me, chemical A, to purchase how much I have paid? 1 lakh, so 10% of that is 10,000. Chemical B is 1 lakh 4,000, so 10% of that is 10,400. If I add the 2, is it 20,400? Yes. Whether the total cost is also 20,400? Yes, that means it is perfect. Okay, fine. This I have included. Other than this, what is also there? I am also having my railway freight. Tell me, students, what is my total railway freight? What is my total railway freight? It is 3,840 rupees, sir. But I want individually for A and B. Now, tell me one thing logically, students. Yes, my freight cost, my transportation cost. On what basis I will be incurring the transportation cost? Is it based on the value of goods or is it based on the quantity of goods? Think and tell me. Think and tell me. The freight cost, the railway. Imagine, yes, in train I am transporting two things. Yes, railway freight, train I am transporting two things. Yes, I have a diamond. Yes, a small piece of diamond which is having, yes, worth of crores. Yes, that in a very small packet I want to transport. Then I have my bike. Okay, yes, which is 20 years old bike, but yes, that is there. Yes, I have a diamond which is having a worth of 10 crore in the market. I have a bike which is having a worth of 10,000 in the market. For which my freight is going to be more? For the bike, because it is having a higher quantity, higher weight. So because of that, the cost is going to be more. Yes or no, everyone? That means my freight cost, on what basis I will be incurring? I will be incurring in the ratio of quantity. What is the ratio of quantity? A and B. I am incurring in the ratio 10,000 is to 8,000, which is 10 is to 8. Yes or no, everyone? So that means 3840 into 10 by 8 divided by 18 into 10. 2133. 2133.33 8 1706.66 or 1707. So what is going to be the total cost? 1 lakh, 1,10,000, 1,12,133. Yes, this is going to be 1,16,107. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Till here things are fine, sir. Yes, sir. Till here things are fine. I hope you guys are also following. Yes, now this is the total cost. Tell me one thing, students. Tell me one thing. For chemical A, how much cost I have incurred? 1,12,133 I have incurred. In that, purchase cost is also there. BCD is also there. Freight is also there. That cost is effectively for how much quantity? Tell me total how much quantity did I buy? Yes, total A I purchased 10,000. B I purchased 8,000. But full 10,000, I am now only speaking in terms of A, okay? B, same model, I will just repeat. Yes, for A, I incurred a total cost of 1,12,133. How much quantity I purchased? 10,000 I purchased. Tell me, full 10,000, whether I am expecting to get it as output. No. A shortage of 500 kg in A and 320 kg in B was noticed due to normal breakage. Normal. That means it was expected. Normal breakage. How much? 500 and 320. That means effectively how much only I am expecting. In 10,500 is gone. 9,500. 8,000 in 320 is gone. Is it 7680? This much I was expecting. But wait for one more thing. Yes, calculate the rate per kg assuming a provision of 2% for further deterioration. They are telling 2% further it will go off. 2%. Tell me, in 9,500, if 2% is gone, how much is gone? 190 is gone. That means what is left? 9,310 only is left. Yes or no? In B, 7,680. 2% is gone. That means 153.6 is gone. That means what is left? 7526.4. Yes or no, everyone? That means, yes, for A, altogether I paid 1,12,133. That is effectively for how much quantity, students? 10,000 I purchased, but full 10,000 am I expecting? No, boss. In that 500 automatically will go as normal breakage. In addition to that, 2% more will go is what I am expecting, anticipating. That means effectively how much only I will be getting? 9,310 only I will be getting. That means what is my cost per kg, students? I will tell 1,12,133 divided by 9310. 112.133 9310, which is 12.04. In case of B, it is 116.107 divided by 7526.4, which will make it 15.42 or 43. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, Reshma has given me the answer. Others also, is this clear? Now, one very simple logical explanation, yes, which I have not given, I'll again give it to you. Pay attention, students. Yes, this is supplier. This is our stores. This is our production factory. Now, I am taking in case of chemical A. Chemical A from supplier, how much I have purchased? 10,000 I have purchased. Imagine during transportation only, 500 is gone. Yes, imagine I am transporting sand. 10,000 sand I purchased. Full 10,000 will I be getting? No, normal breakage will be there. During transportation, some will be lost. Inherent. That means effectively how much only I am getting? 9,500 only I am getting. Now 9,500 I got in stores. Full 9,500. Am I expecting that I will be in a position to use? No, question is telling we are estimating that further 2% will be gone. That is on this again 2% will be gone. I am creating a provision. Now tell me one thing, students. If I am creating a provision, means I am anticipating that 2% more will go. Yes, when will I anticipate? For normal events or for abnormal events? Think and tell me, students. For what I will anticipate? Yes, I will be anticipating only for my normal events. Yes or no? If I know that previously 2% has been going, I will tell, okay, boss, this year also 2% will go. If it is an abnormal event, can I anticipate for theft that this year I will keep 5% provision for theft? No, I don't know. But normal breakage, I will be knowing. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, again, logical explanation was not required here, but still, yes, I took a minute to explain that to you. Is this clear, everyone? This question is also clear. Shall we continue? Are you still having the energy? Feeling lazy? Feeling sleepy? Okay, sir. No sleep. Yes, we will sleep peacefully only after seeing that result. We have cleared both groups. Anxiety, Anxiety is common, dear. You've enrolled for CA. So, along with the study material, yes, they will automatically give you a boost of anxiety. Have it with you. Chill. Don't worry. Okay, things will be fine, don't worry. Little sleepy, sir. Who is this Avantika? If you are sleepy, what you have to be doing is, yes, go wash your face with cold water and come back. Even if after that sleep is not gone, yes, slap yourself. Taka, 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 taka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even after that, yes, sleep is not gone. Take 10 push-ups. Even after that, sleep is not gone. Yes, imagine what will happen on your result day. If you sleep now. Okay. Just on a lighter note. Okay. Don't worry. We will push for half an hour more. I hope all of you guys still have that energy to push yourself for half an hour more. All the students who are watching it as recorded. Okay. Don't go away. Yes, we are discussing some of the most important questions. Okay, na? Okay, great. Now what we will do is, I will pick one question from MTP. Question number 39, which is from our additional question booklet. Because for this concept, IC has not made justice. It has just given some 2 simple questions. So I'll be picking one more question, which is going to be question number 39. Yes, a good question, you will feel happy. Question number 39. MTP March 22, 5 marks. Same question had again come in RTP May 22. Same, just numbers had varied. I have put it as additional question. But this question we will be solving. Okay, pay attention. This was there in our old study material also, but now in new study material they have removed. Doesn't mean that this concept is gone. Question is still relevant. They can be asking because it has been there in MTPs as well as RTPs. Sky Company Limited, not registered under GST. Okay, there is a company which is not registered. Tell me one thing, students. If I am not registered under GST, will I be getting input tax credit? No, I will not be getting input tax credit. Okay. Purchased material RPP from a company which is registered. That means they are charging, but I will not be getting credit. Following information is available for one lot of 5,000 units. One lot I have purchased, for that 5,000 units I have purchased. Listed price of one lot is 7,50,000. Trade discount is 10%. CGST, SGST, credit is not available, 12%. Road tax 15,000. Freight and insurance 51. Detention 15,000. Commission 30,000. Amount deposited for returnable containers 90,000. Amount of refund 60,000. Other expenses at 2% of total cost. What I will do is I will try showing you the solution here itself. Pay attention, everyone. Here itself I will show you. You guys can see the presentation properly. Now, what is the listed price? 7,50,000 I paid, boss. Okay, perfect. He is giving me a 10% trade discount. That means how much discount I got? 75,000 discount I got. That means effectively how much it is? 6,75,000 only. Perfect. Now they are charging CGST and SGST 12%. In that CGST is 6%, SGST is 6%. Okay, fine, sir. Now tell me one thing. Have I taken registration in GST? No. That means will I be getting ITC? No. That means whatever GST I am paying, will it be my cost? Yes, sir, it will be my cost. Add GST at 12%. Now comes a question, 12% of what? Should I take 12% of 7,50,000 or 12% of 6,75,000? Yes, if you would have read GST law, CGST Act 2017, yes, section 15, subsection 1, tells GST is payable on the transaction value, that is the price actually paid or payable for the supply of said goods or services. Yes or no, everyone? Sir, you know GST also. We know a bit of everything. Okay. Yes, transaction value means actually how much you are paying for the goods. 7,50,000 is a MRP. I am paying 6,75,000 only now. So on 6,75,000 I will be putting at 6,75,000. 6,75,000 into 12%. It is 81,000. Okay, sir, perfect. Road tax I am paying. How much? 15,000. Yes. Freight and insurance 51,000. Okay, that is also cost only. Detention charges. Tell me. Detention charges. Is it normal? Is it abnormal? It is a penalty I am paying under customs. Detention charges. Is it my cost? No, boss. Abnormal item it is. Costing P&L. Commission and brokerage. Incidental charges 30,000 I will show. Amount deposited for returnable container. I wanted some container. For that, how much I deposited? 90,000 I deposited. In that, how much I got it back? 60,000 I got it back. That means what is my cost? 30,000 is my cost. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. That means if you add all the items till now, how much you are getting? 7,50,000. In that 75 is gone. Yes, 81,000 you are adding, 15 you are adding, 51 you are adding, 30 you are adding, 30 you are adding. Is it 8,82,000 till here? Yes or no, everyone? Okay, perfect. Now you are having one final item. Pay attention. Other expenses is 2% of total cost. Pay attention. I will just copy this. Okay. Pay attention. Yes, this is my total cost before other expenses. Yes, they are telling for this I'll have to add other expenses. How much is my other expenses, students? They are telling other expenses is 2%. Yes, 2%. 2% of what? 2% of total cost. What is my total cost? 8,82,000. That means how much is my other expenses? 8,82,000 into 2%. which is 17,640. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Absolutely no. Sir, why no? Because other expenses is 2% of total cost. Total cost. Total cost. Tell me whether 8,82,000 is my total cost. No, sir. That means can I take 2% of that? No. That means what I will do? Very simple equation. I will tell, okay, boss, my total cost is nothing but total cost before other expenses plus other expense. Yes or no, everyone? Simple understanding. I have my cost before other expenses. For that, if I add other expense, I will get my total cost. Okay, boss. Yes, do I know what is my total cost before other expenses? It is 8,82,000. What is other expenses? It is 2%. 2% if I write it as decimal, 2 divided by 100, 0.02 of what? Of total cost. Do I know the total cost? We don't know. Now understand one very simple principle in life. Everyone pay attention, students. Yes, if at all you are stuck in a question, yes, you don't know what to do, where to go ahead, you are stuck in life, who you should remember? You should always remember your ex, my dear students. Yes, your ex will give you that direction, that motivation to become something in life. Yes, to get the answers, to overcome your laziness, to overcome your sleep, to become CA. At least, yes, to him or to her, I have to prove. They should feel bad. Yes or no? Yes. So, in maths also, whenever we are stuck in life, whom do we refer to? We refer to our X. Okay. So, I'll assume my total cost is X. So, other expenses is 2% of X. Okay. So, I'll now simplify. I'll bring it this side. X minus 0.02X is 0.98X is 8,82,000. Therefore, X is 8,82,000 divided by 0.98. Which is 9 lakh. Yes or no, everyone? Now understand one very important thing in life. Yes, understand one very important thing in life. Once you have got all answers to your life, you have achieved everything that you wanted to achieve. We should not forget who our X is. Yes, who is our X, students? Don't tell me the name. Shama, Rama, Sita, all those things. Don't tell me. Who is our X here? Whom did we assume as X? Total cost is X, which is 9 lakh. Okay, therefore other expenses is 2% of total cost, 2% of 9 lakh. It is 18,000. Yes or no, everyone? Great. Experience, sir, what to do? Yes, just teaching experience is not sufficient. Nah, when you guys come up with all these relationship issues, just so that I can address you better in relationship issues, I tried one small relationship. Yes. Now to overcome those complexities, I am teaching. If you have no X means, what life you have lived? Sai Sumi. Yes. If your heart is never broken, yes, you have never lived your life. That doesn't mean in between your exam you go have a boyfriend, girlfriend, break up your heart. Afterwards, you have a long life. Don't worry. Okay. Along with costing, so many life lessons also will be giving. Yes, 8,82,000 plus 18,000 total cost is 9 lakh rupees. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Yes, God has given us one life. We should have all kind of experience, good, bad. Some things, if everything is successful in life, is there any maja? Now, I cleared my CA all in the first attempt. My parents believed in me. I started teaching. Teaching is also working fine. Everything is plus. Something should be minus, na? Only then, yes, God has His own way of balancing things. He told, here I will play with you. Okay? So, what to do? I'm not going further. I will cry. Okay? Okay, now pay attention. My total cost is 9 lakh rupees. Tell me what is my question asking? Question number 39. Yes, you are required to calculate the cost per unit. Okay, total cost is 9 lakh divided by effective quantity. Tell me in one lot how much quantity did I purchase? I purchased one lot of 5,000 unit. But in that, my question is telling 20% shortage will happen. 20% shortage will happen. That means 20%, 5,000 into minus 20%, 1,000 will go off is what I'm expecting. That means how much will be left, students? 4000 units will be left, yes or no, everyone? Perfect. That means what is the effective cost per unit? 9 lakh divided by 4000, 225 rupees, yes or no, everyone? This is my answer. Okay, yes, Sharini is motivating me. She is telling, sir, everything happens for a reason, right? Yes, too big a loss for her, yes or no? Today she might be somewhere regretting her decision. Okay. Okay, now fine, that's the beauty of life. Okay, yes, someday you look back. Okay, there's a beautiful quote, what if everything is happening perfectly to make you into the person that you always wanted to be? What if everything is perfectly happening? Today what I'm thinking as a failure, today what I'm complaining, telling, sir, yes, God, why did this happen to me? One day you'll look back and you'll understand exactly why things had to happen that way. Every failure, every difficulty, every challenge, every calamity is properly designed into our life by God to ensure that we go through that, grow through that, become a better version of ourselves. Okay? Yes, in the form of lessons to us. Okay? So long as we are keeping that, we keep learning from that, we keep becoming a better version of ourselves, everything is fine. Okay? Now, I am at a very happy stage in life. Okay? Yes, chumma, just for fun sake, I brought in X. Anywhere throughout our calculation, we want X now. Okay, now don't keep telling everyone that sir is very depressed. Sir was crying in the live session because, yes, sir got one breakup. Okay, in Malayalam, tape. Oh, full tape. Life is only tape. Okay, yes. Now, just a small fun in between the class. Okay, fine. Now I got my cost per unit as 225. Let me just compare here. Pay attention, everyone. Cost per unit is 225. Same question is there, question number 40. If you see here, question number 40, I will just show it to you for a minute. Exactly same question. Look at this. Unregistered supplier, listed price, some numbers have changed. Other expenses, 2% of total cost, 20% normal shortage, all those things are there. Okay, na? Fine. This is also over, sir. Now tell me, do you have energy still left in you for one more question or some more questions? Tell me. Now, what is the objective? Pay attention. Today, if at all, I will have to finish off the chapter. Complete discussion is over. Now, there is one miscellaneous question. One study material question. Beautiful question. Okay. After that, November 23 examination, a question had come. Okay. November 23, suggested answer has not come yet. So that is why I have not incorporated in the question bank. So that question also we will see. This is simple. It will take just 2-3 minutes. After that, there is RTP May 24 case scenario. Okay. To do this, before we do this, there is one MTP question. I'll have to discuss that MTP question. Based on that, this case scenario I'll have to do. Now, if I do all these 3 things together, it will roughly take me at least 1 hour more. At least 1 hour more. So, what I am thinking right now is, we will do till here. Study material question. Yes, that's a beautiful question, which was not there in the existing syllabus. New syllabus they have added. Along with that, November 23 question will do. We'll see the timing. It will be 9:40, 9:45 only. Okay. Yes, this balance RTP question, we will keep it for tomorrow. Okay, na? We'll do it that way because that is a very beautiful discussion. I want you guys also to be, yes, in that proper frame of mind. I don't want you guys to be very lazy telling, sir, when will it get over, sir? Yes, dinner is ready, sir. 9:30, sir. Yes, nice. Dinner is waiting for us. Dinner. Yes, what? Chicken dinner. Yes, sir, tomorrow is also going to be okay. So, we'll do it that way. Okay, na? Fine. So, now we will come to this question. Pay attention. Or before that, let me do the past paper question. Okay, because this question is again going to be heavy. I will first go into past paper. Look at this, everyone. This is November 23 question paper. Okay. The very first question, question 1A. Okay, it is from this concept. So let us see. ABC Limited manufactures a product AM25 using material CEE. Okay, raw material CEE. Following information is available. Purchase price is 300. Okay, fine, sir. Next, what more is given? Cost of placing an order is 150. Okay, good, sir. Carrying cost per unit per annum is 6%. Okay, sir. Consumption of material per annum in 1 year total. How much material I am using? 1,94,400. Okay. Lead time average is 6. Maximum is 8. Minimum is 4. Okay, fine. Maximum consumption of material per day is 200 kg more than average consumption. This line for the first time I am reading. Till now I have not read this. But we will manage with this. Pay attention. Oh. Just a minute. What is happening? Just a minute. Let me see. I'm using OneNote because I can keep showing calculation here itself. Otherwise, I'll have to use this one. Let it go. I'll use this one only. Pay attention. Downloads. Question paper. Yes, pay attention, everyone. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Purchase price is given, ordering cost is given, all these things are given. This is a line. Maximum consumption is 200 kg more than average consumption. Okay, fine. You are required to calculate EOQ, reorder level, maximum level, assuming 300 days in a year. Question 5 into 4, that means this question is for 5 marks. Shall we do it, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, dear. Let us do it. Take a screenshot if you want. Yes, otherwise also it is fine because a simple question only it is. Now look at this. How are we going to do it? Where do we write? The hard part here is, can I add a page here? Where will it come? Okay, here only it came. Yes, first requirement of question is to calculate EOQ. Sir, do we know to calculate EOQ? Yes, sir. We are now expert. What all we want? AOC. A is the annual demand of raw material. 1 year total, how much raw material I want? 1,94,400. Okay, perfect. O is my ordering cost per order, which is how much? 150. Okay, perfect. C is my carrying cost per unit per annum, which is 6%. 6% of what? Purchase price. So 300 per unit. 6% of that. 300 into 6%, which is 18. That means EOQ is square root 2 AO divided by C square root 2 into 1,94,400 into 150 divided by 18. Is it 1,800 units? Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. This is my first answer. Is this over? Over. Finish. Yes, life is jingle. Yes. Now, Shamala is asking a very beautiful question. Sir, this is consumption na, sir. Sir, you explained in the class that, yes, A is the annual demand of raw material, that it is the purchase of raw material. Okay, Shamala. Now, tell me one very simple thing. I am having opening stock, I am having purchase. I am having consumption, I am having closing stock. Okay, yeah, okay. How much did I consume? 194,400 I have consumed. Whether question has given me any details about opening stock, closing stock? No. That means what is my opening stock and closing stock? 0. That means tell me how much I should have purchased? 194,400 only. Yes or no? If stock adjustment is given in the question, I will do that adjustment. Because it is not given in the question, can I do anything? I can't do anything. That means what I'll assume? Whatever I have consumed, full I should have purchased. As simple as that. Is this clear? But good that you asked that. Okay, na? Okay. EOQ is over, sir. What is the second requirement of question? Let me see. Reorder level they are asking. Okay, perfect. Reorder level. Tell me, dear, what is the formula of reorder level? It is maximum usage rate into maximum lead time. That means now I want the data. What all data I want? Pay attention. I want a data of lead time and usage rate. In that I want minimum, average, maximum. Let me see what all is directly given to me. Tell me lead time is given. Yes, minimum is 4 days, 6 days, 8 days. So let me write down. Lead time is 4 days, 6 days, 8 days. Okay. About usage rate, what is my question telling? Whether question has given me any information about usage rate directly? No, question has not given me information directly. But tell me one thing, students. In 1 year, total how much quantity I am using? 1,94,400 I am using, yes or no? This in what period I am using? In 1 year. In 1 year, how many days are there, students? In 1 year, I am having 360 days. So can I calculate my average usage rate? Okay, boss. 1 year, I am using 1,94,400. That is in how many days? 360 days. That means daily how much I am using? 194,400 divided by 360. Daily I am using 540 units on an average. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir, it is clear. Now tell me, question is telling me maximum consumption is 200 kg more than average. Maximum means how much more it can go? It can go 200 kg more than average. That means if average is 540, means maximum will go up to 740. Now tell me one thing, I am having average, I am having maximum, I am having minimum. Average is 540, maximum is 740. So if from average to maximum it is 200 distance, then minimum to average is again 200 only distance, yes or no? That means what should be my minimum? Directly I can close my S and tell this is 200. That means here again it will be 200, it will be 340. But sir, we don't want to do it this way. Okay, don't do it this way. I know the formula. Average is equal to minimum plus maximum divided by 2. Yes, average is 540 is equal to minimum, I don't know. Maximum is 740 divided by 2. So 540 into 2. Yes, bring this to the other side. Minus 740. It will give you 340. Yes or no? Whatever you do, you are getting the same answer. Okay, sir, we got the answer now. Now we are convinced. Okay, now tell me the reorder level. What is my maximum? How much I will use in a day? 740 units in a day. Maximum how much time it will take? 8 days it will take. So 740 into 8. It is 5,920 units. Yes or no, everyone? That is my reorder level. Is this clear? Yes, sir. This is also clear. Third one is my maximum stock level. Okay, sir. What is the formula of maximum stock? Maximum stock is when did I purchase? When did I place order? When am I having reorder? But this time my usage was minimum usage rate into minimum lead time plus my reorder quantity. Reorder level for how much quantity I am placing order? 5920 minus bare minimum at least 340 I will use. At least 4 days it will take. Plus whether reorder quantity is specifically given in the question. No. That means what is my default assumption? EOQ only I will take, which is 1800. So tell me 1360 minus 5920 minus. Is it 6360 units? Yes or no, everyone? Reorder level. Yes, maximum stock is 6360, right? Was there any challenge in solving this question? No. So at the end of every chapter, November 23 paper also will be seeing whatever question is there, we'll keep discussing. If at all any assumption based things are there, again I'll keep discussing that also here. Okay, na? Once suggested answer comes, proper I can verify and show it also. Till that time, yes, let's have confidence in ourselves that we are doing it right. Okay, na dear? Till here whether things are fine, everyone. So shall we go to one final question? Beautiful, beautiful question. Maja is about to come. Are you guys ready? Are you guys excited for one final question of the day? With that, we will end today's session. Chapter is almost over. 99% of, yes, chapter discussion is over. Today we'll discuss one question. Tomorrow RTP one question is there. That we'll do means, yes, our confidence will reach another level altogether. So are you guys ready? Just give me a confirmation. So based on that, we'll start discussing. Okay, sir, we are ready for one final question of the day. But sir, no more question. Final only. Don't worry, dear. Final question. Okay. Okay, we will now come to our question bank. We have the final question in our question bank. Which question is it, sir? Yes, it is this question which is newly added in the new study material, new syllabus. Question number 28. Mrs. Tyrotubes. Okay, so before we start an important beautiful question, yes, what do we write? Maja is coming. Don't worry, yes, you guys give me 20 minutes maximum. We'll ensure that we make it very simple, but you will have to give me that time, okay, for me to explain what is happening in here. Okay, Mrs. Tyrotubes trades in four-wheeler tires and tubes. Okay, it stocks a sufficient quantity of tires almost every vehicle. Yes, fine. In the year ended 2022-23, the report of sales manager revealed that yes, Mrs. Tyrotubes experienced stock out. Okay, we are having stock out of tires. What is stock out? Stock out means I am not having the stock with me. Imagine I am selling pen. Okay, every day I keep selling pen. Imagine one day customer came, he asked me for 10 pen. I am having only 4 pen with me. 4 pen I gave it to him. That means what happened? 6 pen stock out was there. Yes or no everyone? That is a stock out. I am not having sufficient stock with me to sell to my customer or to produce finished goods. Okay, stock out data they are giving. Yes, what all has happened? Yes, 100 tire was not there. How many times it happened? 2 times it happened. 80 tire was not there. How many times it happened? 5 times it happened. 50 tire was not there. How many times it happened? 10 times it happened. 20 tire was not there. How many times it happened? 20 times it happened. 10 tire was not there. How many times it happened? 30 times it happened. Yes, 0 stock out. That means every time stock was there. How many times it was happening? 33. Now, if you add all of these things, how much you are getting? 2 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 33. 100 you are getting. That means tell me if I calculate the percentage. Tell me students, how many percentage times did I experience a stock out of 100 tires? 2% times. How much percent times I experienced a stock out of 80 tires? 5% times. How much percentage times I experienced a stock out of 50 tires? 10 percentage, 20 percentage, 30 percentage, 33 percentage. Till here is this clear everyone? Yes sir, till here clear, no doubt. Now, Mrs. Tyrotubes loses 150 per unit due to stock out and spends 50 per unit on carrying of the inventory. Determine the optimum safety stock level. Now, understand one very simple thing. If I am not having stock with me, customer came to me to purchase the goods, I am not having stock with me. Is it good for the company, bad for the company? Very bad for the company. Why it is bad for the company? Customer came to purchase, he was giving me profit, but I did not have item only with me. So because of that, I could not sell. I could not make that money. Yes or no everyone? That means it is a loss for me, bad for me. Okay? Yes. So, and if I have to carry 1 unit for 1 year, I am incurring 50 rupees. Determine the optimum safety stock level. Now understand, yes, whether you have reasonably understood the story. Yes, what is the question somewhere trying to tell us? Okay, yes, now let us try understanding everything about that. I have written a detailed discussion. Okay, pay attention. This entire 3-page discussion, okay, will give you a proper understanding. Now here a complete background summary of what is happening in the question I have told. Pay attention. Yes, currently company is incurring 2 different costs. What all cost company is incurring? First is the carrying cost. If I am holding my inventory, suppose I am telling, yes, I want to hold 50 units with me throughout the year. To hold those units, I have to purchase. Yes or no? So purchase cost I'll have to pay. Yes, I'll have to hold. I want fund for that. Interest is there, insurance is there, storage is there, obsolescence is there. To hold my goods, if I'm holding goods, I have to incur a carrying cost. But if I don't hold the goods, what will happen? Imagine I decided, no, I don't want to hold goods only. What happens? I do not hold goods. Customer comes. Customer asks, where is the goods, boss? I am telling I don't have goods. Customer goes back empty-handed. Because of that, I am incurring stock out cost. Yes or no, everyone? Why am I incurring stock out cost? Because of failure to hold the inventory. Is this clear, everyone? So, I as a company am incurring 2 costs. Firstly, if I have to hold the goods, holding cost, carrying cost I am incurring. If I don't hold the goods, I am incurring stock out cost because I am not having the goods. Now, what is my objective? My objective always is that total of the 2 costs should be minimum. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. Now, imagine I am giving you 2 options. Pay attention. Here I am telling holding cost or carrying cost, then stock out cost. Imagine option number 1, holding cost is 100, stock out cost is 0, total cost is 100. Option number 2, holding cost is 40, stock out cost is 25, total cost is 65. Which one is better? My objective is total of the two costs should be minimum. Here total of the two cost is minimum. This option I will be choosing. Is this clear, everyone? So what I am telling, this entire concept I am explaining with the help of this question only. Pay attention. Yes, we are in a conundrum. Yes, in a dilemma, in a doubt. If I hold more goods means I have to incur more carrying cost. If I don't hold goods means I will be incurring stock out cost. That means how much quantity should I hold? Yes, hold in such a way that the total of two cost is minimum. Okay, fine. Now tell me one thing, if I have to avoid stock out means, what should I be doing, students? I should be keeping some safety stock. Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no, everyone? Now understand, I am placing the order. Pay attention, simple example I am giving. Imagine I am selling pen. Every day 10 pen I am selling. Okay, and if I place order, I am keeping data very simple. I will be getting my order after 10 days. That means normally, yes, when should I place order? When I am having 100 pen, I should be placing order, because daily 10 pens will keep going. In 10 days I will be getting. But I have a fear. What if someday a big customer comes and he urgently asks for some pen? I don't have. If I have to overcome that situation, what should I keep? I have to keep some safety stock. Imagine I kept separately 50 units as safety stock. Separately I have kept. Now I am having 100 units. These 100 units will go away. Suddenly a customer comes, he asks, do you have 5 pen? I have safety stock. Yes or no, everyone? If I have to overcome my stock out means, what should I be having? I should be having my safety stock. Okay, sir. Till here I have understood. So company is incurring two cost, carrying cost, stock out cost. Total of the two costs should be minimum. Yes, if I have to overcome my stock out means, for that I have to keep my safety stock. Question is asking how much safety stock I should keep. Now see what all possibilities can happen. Now pay attention, students, what all possibilities can happen. It can be possible. Yes. One of the possible scenarios is that customer comes, asks me for 100 tires. But because I am not having safety stock, I am not in a position to sell 100 tires. So if I have to overcome this, how much safety stock I will have to keep? If I keep 100 tires as safety stock, is it going to be sufficient? Yes. Imagine your customer, I am supplier. Okay, you come suddenly ask me 100 tires. I did not have. If I have to overcome this situation means how much safety stock I should have kept? I should have kept 100 units as 100 tires as safety stock. If I had 100 tires, you come ask me 100, I give you 100. Or else if customer is asking 80 tires only, 80 safety stock was sufficient. If customer is asking me 50 only, 50 was sufficient. If customer is asking 20 only, 20 was sufficient. If customer is asking 10 only, 10 was sufficient. If customer is not asking only, there was no need for safety stock. So what all possibilities of safety stock can be there? Either I can keep 0 units as safety stock. I'm telling no need only. Or I'll tell let me keep 10 units. Or let me keep 20 units. Or let me keep 50 units. Or let me keep 80 units. Or let me keep 100 units. Till here, whether the explanation is fine, students, just give me a confirmation. We will continue. So different options of safety stock that can be held by organization. Either I can keep 100 tires as safety stock, or I can keep 80, 50, 20, 10, 0. What is my question? Yes, at what safety stock the total cost of the company will be minimum? That is going to be the most preferred option. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, it is very difficult. Yes, challenging to understand the question itself. Okay, this is a beautiful question, a special question. Okay, so what I am telling, company is expressing stock out. To hold my stock, I am incurring carrying cost. But if I decide I don't want to hold, I will incur stock out. At which level I should be there so that the total of cost is minimum. Now to overcome stock out, what I'll have to do? I'll have to increase my safety stock. That means how much safety stock I should be having. This is what my question is asking. Can I continue? Everyone please give me, yes, a confirmation. Please tell me that you have understood till now. Okay, now understand, yes, based on this calculation of total cost in different options. What all safety stock I can have? Option number 1, I am telling, okay boss, let me keep a safety stock of 100 tires. Or option number 2, I am telling, no boss, 100 is not needed. 80 is sufficient. 3, I am telling, no boss, 80 is also not needed. 50 is sufficient, boss. Option number 4, I am telling, what if I keep only 20? What will happen? Let me see. 5th option is, what if I keep only 10? 6th option is, if I tell I am not going to keep any safety stock. Okay, fine. Now what all two cost I am incurring? Pay attention students. First cost I am incurring is carrying cost. Second cost I am incurring is stock out cost. If I add the two, I will be getting my total cost. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So sir, what is the formula of carrying cost? Now pay attention. Here your basics are going to come into picture. If you have just by hearted and kept things, you are going to be in big trouble. Okay. Now carrying cost. Yes, I've told you a feel of carrying cost. Pay attention. What is the formula of carrying cost, students? Yes, carrying cost formula is, it is carrying cost per unit per annum into average inventory. To hold, yes, what does it mean? To hold 1 unit for 1 year, how much I am incurring into, on an average, how much units I am having throughout the year. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Based on this, what formula I told? Yes, average inventory throughout we were telling it is ordering quantity divided by 2. Imagine I am purchasing 1,000 units. The day I purchase, I will be having 1,000. Yes, I keep on using, it will come till 0. That means on an average I am having 500 units. That is what my simple understanding was. But now understand one thing, students. Here I am calculating for safety stock. Now tell me one thing. Yes, I have explained this in the average level concept also, that my average level formula came as minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. There I told minimum level I am having with me throughout now. Yes, that is there with me throughout. Safety stock. Why am I holding safety stock? For emergency purpose. Imagine at your home, 2 different boxes are there for holding rice. Yes, 1 5 kg is the safety stock. Mom will always keep this 5 kg for emergency. Yes, if in any case urgent guests come, I will keep this separately. Then I will be having my normal box. Here full will be there, half will be there, sometimes it will come till 0 also. But safety stock will be there with me, fully it will be there with me. Yes or no, everyone? That means tell me one thing, students. Safety stock I am holding completely throughout the year. Yes or no, everyone? That means can I tell my carrying cost here formula? I will rewrite and tell for 1 unit for 1 year how much it is, into on an average how many units are there. Whether safety stock I will be holding throughout the year. Yes, that means can I tell it is nothing but carrying cost per unit per annum into safety stock. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, just based on the feel. If you have just by hearted formulas, trust me, it is not possible to get solution. You have to have some feel of what the formula is trying to tell. For 1 unit for 1 year, how much it is? Like that, on an average, how many units I am holding? Safety stock I will hold with me throughout the year. That means full safety stock will be there with me. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir. It is reasonably clear. Don't worry. Yes, pointers, comments, all those things I have put at the end for your revision. Don't worry. That means if I am having 100 tires as safety stock, that means separately I have kept 100 tires. Year starting also 100 is there. Year in between also is there. Year end also it is there. That means 100 tire is my safety stock. For 1 unit, what is the carrying cost, students? What is the carrying cost for 1 unit? Where is the question there here? Carrying cost is 50 rupees. Yes or no, everyone? That means it will be 50 into 100, which will be 5,000 rupees. If I decide, no boss, 100 safety stock is not required, 80 is sufficient. That means it will be 50 per unit into 80 tires, which is 4,000 rupees will be the carrying cost. Yes or no? If I tell no boss, 50 safety stock is sufficient. For 1 tire for 1 year it is 50 rupees. Like that I am having 50 tires. So it is 250 rupees. Sorry, 2,500 rupees. If I am only having 20 tires, for 1 tire for 1 year it is 50 rupees. Into 20 tires, it is 1,000 rupees. If I decide 10 tires I will keep. For 1 tire for 1 year it is 50 rupees. Like that 10 tires I am having 500. If I decide, okay boss, I don't want only safety stock. Tell me, if I am not keeping safety stock only, do I have to incur the carrying cost? No, 0. I am not having any tire. Yes or no, everyone? Simple formula. You just have to understand. You just have to come out of the formula. Yes, 100 tire I am keeping. For 1 tire it is 50. That means it is 5,000. So on and so forth. Is this clear, everyone? Can I continue from here? Okay, sir. I am incurring one more cost. What cost is it? Stock out cost I am incurring. Pay attention. What all? Yes, in the first situation, understand the first situation. If you understand the first situation, everything else you will do automatically. Okay? First situation, what did I decide? I decided how much safety stock I am going to keep, students. I have decided, let anything happen, I will keep maximum safety stock. 100 tires I am keeping it as safety stock. Now tell me what all my customer can demand. Pay attention. Customer can come and ask for 100 tires. What is the percentage of that happening? 2%. Customer can ask for 80 tires. What is the percentage of that happening? 5%. Customer can come and tell, yes boss, give me 50 tires. What is the percentage of that happening? 10%. Customer can come and ask for 20 tires. What is the percentage of that happening? 20%. Customer can come and ask for 10 tires. What is the percentage of that happening? 30%. Customer can, yes, customer may not come only. What is the percentage of that happening? 33%. Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no, everyone? Yes, what my customer can ask. Now tell me. Imagine you're the customer, I am the supplier. How much safety stock I am having here? I am having a safety stock of 100 tires. Customer, you come and you ask me for 100 tires. Do I have a tension in life? No. How much safety stock I am having? 100 safety stock I am having. So I will give you full 100 yes tires. Yes or no? That means, am I having any stock out? I am having no stock out. You came, you asked for 100 tires. I gave you 100 tires because I had 100. Yes, you come ask me for 80 tires. Do I have tension? No, I have 100 tires with me. No tension, boss. Take 80. I still have 20. Do I have stock out? No, I don't have stock out. You ask for 50 tires. Do I have tension? No, I don't have tension. You ask for 20 tires. Do I have tension? No, I don't have tension. You ask for 10 tires. Do I have tension? I don't have tension. You don't come only. Do I have tension? No, my health is goods. But is there a stock out? There is no stock out. That means my stock out cost here will be 0. Because whatever my customer will come and ask, I have with me maximum goods as safety stock. Yes or no, everyone? That means how much carrying cost I will incur? 5,000. Yes, if I am holding 100 tire extra with me throughout, will there be any chance of stock out? No, students. Customer doesn't come. Customer came, ask 10, 20, 50, 80, 100. I have it with me. No tension. That means my total cost will be 5,000 rupees. Is this clear, everyone? Reasonably understood. Yes, give me a confirmation. Now comes the second situation. Second situation onwards, slowly you will start understanding what is happening. Pay attention. Second situation, I decided, boss, why chumma I have to keep 100 tires as safety stock? Let me just keep 80 tires. It is sufficient. If I decide that, what will happen? Now, how much spare tires I am having with me? 80 only. What all possibilities can happen? You are the customer. You can come, you can tell, yes, come and ask, give me 100 tire, boss. How much percentage chance is there? 2% chance is there. Let me just copy this. Copy. Yes, you can come and tell me that, boss, 100 tire I want. How much percent chance is there? 2% is there. Let me just copy these possibilities everywhere. Just a minute, students, so that I need not keep writing it always. Okay. Yes, I've written down that story again. Yes, customer, what all he can come and ask? He can come and ask, boss, give me 100 tire, 2% chance. Customer can come and ask, give me 80 tire, 50 tire, 20 tire, 10 tire, 0 tire. Now tell me how much tire I am having with me as supplier. Safety stock 80 is there. Imagine customer did not come only. Am I having tension? No, I am enjoying. I am telling la 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 la. There is no, yes, stock out. Customer comes and asks for 10 tires. Yes, am I having tension? No, I have 80 tires with me. I gave you 10 tires. I'm still having 70 tires with me. No stock out. Yes, your company is happy. Customer, yes, company is telling la 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 la. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, customer comes and asks for 20 tires. Am I having tension? No. Because why? I have 80 tires safety stock with me. I am giving you 20 tires. Is there stock out? No. I am happy. La 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 la. Yes or no? Customer comes, asks for 50 tires. Am I having tension? No. How much safety stock is there with me? 80 is there. Am I having tension? No. Company is telling la 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 la. Yes, customer comes, customer asks for 80 tires. Yes, am I having tension? How much safety stock is there with me? 80 tires safety stock is there with me. Am I having tension? No. I give you full 80. because I'm having 80. Am I having tension? No. What is company telling? Comment everyone, students. What is company telling? Company is telling la 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 la. Okay, but now, okay, pay attention. I am having 80 tires with me. Customer comes and customer asks, yes, do you have 100 tires? What will company do? Whether company can now tell la 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 la? No. Why? Because company is having only 80 tire. Customer is asking for 100 tire. I only have 80 tire. I gave this 80 tire to my customer. That means how much tire stock out was there? How much tires was stock out? Yes, I have experienced a stock out of 20 tires. 20 tire shortage was there. Yes or no, everyone? Is this clear? Everyone give me a confirmation. Yes or no, everyone give me a confirmation. Yes, I am having 80 tire. Customer did not come, no tension. Customer came, asked for 10, 20, 50, 80, no tension. Customer asked for 100 units. I gave him 80, take this boss. But 20, I lost it. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, no. Yes, I'll tell. Moe. Okay, now because of that, what is the loss I'm incurring? Tell me, students, tell me, if I do not sell 1 unit, what is the loss for me? Mrs. Styro Tube loses 150 per unit due to stock out. If I don't sell one unit, what is the loss? 150. That means if I don't sell 20 units, 150 into 20, 3000 would be my loss. But is it certain that it will happen? Is it 100% sure that it will happen? If it was 100% sure, I would have kept those goods with me. No, there is only a 2% chance that it can happen. So into 2%, 60 rupees is my loss. Yes or no, everyone? What I'll be doing? It is 150 is a loss for 1 tire. Like that 20 tire is a loss. It is only 20% chance. That means what is the total cost I'll be incurring? In all these cases, I'll not be incurring. But if customer demands for 100 tires, I'll incur 60 rupees as cost. So what is the total cost? To hold those 80 tires, I'm incurring 4,000 plus 60. So I'll be incurring altogether 4,060 rupees. Is this clear, everyone? Everyone give me a confirmation till here. Is it fine? Okay, perfect. Now let us continue our discussion. Sir, third situation. I am telling 80 tire safety stock is also not needed, sir. 50 is sufficient. Okay, I kept 50 only. Customer, what all he can come and ask? He can either not come only, or he can come and ask for 10, 20, 50, 80, 100. Now imagine. Customer did not come only. I am having 50 tire with me. Am I having tension? No. I am telling what? What am I telling, students? La 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 la. Customer came and asked for 10 tires. Am I having tension? No. I gave him 10 tires. I'm telling la 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 la. Customer came and asked for 20 tires. Am I having tension? No. I gave him la 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 la. Customer came asked for 50 tires. Am I having tension? No tension. La 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 la. But customer asked for 80 tires. Am I having tension? Yes. I'm telling no. Oh my God. What is happening here? Customer asked for 80. I'm only having 50. What is the shortage I'm having? 30 tire shortage is there. Yes or no? For 1 tire, what is the loss? 150 is a loss for 1 tire. Like that for 30 tire into 30. 4,500 is a loss. But what is the percentage? Only 5% is probability. So 225 is the expected loss. Customer comes and asks for 100 tires. How much I am having? 50 only. What is a loss? 50 tires is a stock out. So I am telling 50 tire I am not having, boss. For every tire 150 I lost. That means 7,500 would be my loss. But how much percentage of that occurrence is there? Only 2%. That means 150. So what is the total stock out cost? 225 plus 150. It is 375. So 2,500 plus 375. It will make it 2,875. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. Okay, don't worry. Yes, the summary, everything I'll just give it to you guys. Now, situation number 4. I decided, okay, boss, 50 tire also, why should I keep? Because if I'm holding my tires, I should incur so much of carrying cost. I don't want to incur that. Okay, so I'm telling, if I keep 20 tire only, what will happen? I want to see. Okay, if I keep 20 tire only, customer did not come only. Am I worried? No. I'm telling, la 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 la. Customer came and asked for 10 tires. Am I tension? No. La 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 la. Customer asked for 20 tires. Do I have tension? No. La 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 la. Customer came and asked for 50 tires. Am I having tension? Yes boss, I am only having 20. Customer asked for 50, that means how much is lost? 30 tires I've lost. Customer came and asked for 80. I had 20, I gave this, take this 20, but how much tire profit I lost? 60 tire. Customer asked for 100, I only had 20, so how much I gave it to him? Yes, I gave 20 to him, 80 is lost. So what is the loss? I'm telling boss, in one tire 150 I'll be losing. Yes or no everyone? Like that, if I've lost it on 80 tire, my loss will be 12,000. But how much percentage of that occurrence is there? Only 2%. Because of that, 240 is the expected loss. Because probability is there, I'm calculating the expected loss. For one tire, I will be losing 150 profit. Like that, if because I could not sell 60 tire, 9,000 could be my loss, but only 5% of occurrence, 450. Yes, one tire 150 into 10 per, third situation, 30 tires. Yes, 4,500 will be my loss. What is the percentage? Only 10% is there. So 450 is my loss. Yes or no everyone? Let me just confirm the numbers. 150 into 30 into 0.1. Yes, 450. That means what is the total stock out cost? Yes, there is a chance of 240 rupees. 450 plus 450. 900 plus 240. Is it 1140? Yes or no? So 1140 plus 1000. It will be 2140. Yes or no everyone? Till here, is it fine? Okay. Now imagine next situation I'm telling. Now understand till now what is happening, students. Look at the total cost. First case total cost was 5,000. From there it came to 4,000. So I just want to try even more. From there it came to 2,800. From there it came to 2,140. Now I'm still expecting whether my total cost will go down further also. So fifth situation I'm telling, I will keep only 10 tire and see what will happen. What is advantage? My carrying cost is 500 only. But now chance of stock out is more. I kept only 10 tires with me. Yes, pay attention. Customer did not come. Am I having tension? No, I am telling la 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 la. Customer came and asked for 10 units. Am I having tension? No, I am telling la 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 la. Customer came and asked for 20 units. How much I am having? 10. How much is lost? 10. Customer asked for 50. I am having 10. How much is lost? 40. Customer asked for 80. I am having 10. How much is lost? 70. Customer asked for 100. How much I am having? 10. How much is lost? 90. So I will do the calculation. 150 into 90 into 2%, it is 270. 150 into 70 into 5%, it is 525. From now onwards I am not explaining. 40 into 150 into 10%, it is 600. Yes, 150 into 10 into 20%, it is 300. It is dash and dash. Total will be 1,695. 1,695 plus 500 will make it 2,195. Yes or no everyone? Till here is this clear? Yes. If you see this only, you will understand there is no point going further, because from 5,000 it came to 4,000, 2,800, 2,140. Here it was the minimum. Then it went up again to 2,195. So there is no point. Last one also if I do, cost will increase only. But still let me do. Imagine last extreme situation. I am telling I will not keep a safety stock only. Okay, I am not having safety stock is a big 0. Yes, imagine customer did not come only. Am I having tension? No, I am telling la 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 la. But customer came and asked for 10 units. Am I having anything? I am just looking at his face. Where is the goods? I don't have goods. He is very angry. He is going. I am telling no, 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 no. Yes or no? How much units is lost? If he asks for 10, 10 is gone. If he asks for 20, 20 is gone. If he asks for 50, 50 is gone. If he asks for 80, 80 is gone. If he asks for 100, 100 is gone. Because I am not having goods only with me. So let me calculate stock out. For 1 unit I will lose 150. Like that if I lose 100 units into 2%, 300. Yes, 150 into 80 into 5%, 600. 150 into 50 into 10%, 750. Next 150 into 20 into 20%, is it 600? 150 into 10 into 30%, 450. If it doesn't come, no tension. If I add all of this, is it 2,700? Yes or no everyone? 2,700 is my stock out cost. Carrying cost is not there. Total cost is 2,700 rupees. Yes or no everyone? So look at the how my total cost is there. From 5,000 it came down to 4,060, 2,875, 2,140. Here it is a minimum. Then it goes up again to 2,195, 2,700. Tell me where my total cost is minimum in situation 4. That is when I'm having a safety stock of 20 tires. That means ideally, most optimal safety stock to be maintained is 20 units. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? This was our question. Okay, so we have taken reasonable time to understand. This question deserves the time. We have spent somewhere around half an hour. It deserves the time. Understand. So look at this. I have just given you the steps here. What all formulas I have to be using. Look at this. Carrying cost formula. Simple formula was carrying cost per unit per annum into average inventory. Here safety stock I am holding throughout the year, so I can directly write it as carrying cost per unit per annum into safety stock. Based on that carrying cost I got. Second, stock out cost, how will I get? It is how much units stock out is there. How much units stock out is there into what is the probability of that happening into if 1 unit becomes stock out, what is the cost? Yes, I am telling 100 units stock out is there. Every unit stock out, I will lose 150. That means 100 rupees, sorry, 150 for 1 unit. Like that 100 units, I will lose 15,000. But what is the probability of that? Only 2%. So I expected is 300 rupees. Wherein how will I get stock out? It is nothing but how much units customer is asking minus how much I am having. Is this clear, everyone? So if this question comes in your examination for 10 marks, yes, will you write it perfectly without any mistake? Or will you do moye moye? No, na? You should be like la 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 la. Okay, everyone? Is this clear? Perfect. Great. Okay. So let me quickly summarize the question for you guys. Just in 2 minutes. Pay attention. We have come till here. Okay, we'll be taking 2 to 3 more minutes. Firstly, question is telling that we are experiencing stock out. To overcome stock out, what we should do? We should have safety stock. I am incurring 2 costs. One is the carrying cost to hold goods. If I don't hold goods, I will incur stock out cost. My objective is where my total cost is minimum. Okay, perfect. To overcome stock out, I'll have to hold my safety stock. What all options are there? Option number 1, if I tell full 100 units, I'm keeping it as safety stock. So firstly, I'll calculate carrying cost. Carrying cost formula I have told. It is carrying cost per unit per annum. Question is still 50 into how much stock, safety stock is there. Based on this, I did my calculation. Then stock out calculation I'll have to do. I am having 100 tires with me. Customer did not ask, no tension. He asked for 10, 20, 50, 80, 100. In all those cases, no tension only. My stock out cost is 0. Stock out cost formula I have told. It is stock out units into probability into for 1 unit what is the cost. Okay, and how will I get stock out cost? Stock out units, how much unit customer is demanding minus how much units I am having. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. So I hope you have understood things logically. Now if you want to take a screenshot of this, you guys can take a quick screenshot of this. Pay attention. Screen number 1, take a screenshot. Okay, screen number 2, take a screenshot. I'll share the file with you guys, don't worry, just remind me. Okay, yes, subscribe students in the group, just remind me, I'll share it with everyone. Okay, screen number 3 also, take a screenshot. Okay, with this we have officially finished the chapter material costing. All questions we have covered, but for us we will tomorrow try to cover questions from our latest RTP also. I have given you the latest, yes, November 23 examination question also I have covered. Now understand one thing students, we have solved master questions. In that study material and past paper is covered. Now we are also having additional questions. In additional question, what will be having, sir? RTP and MTP will be having. Sir, should we do it, sir? Not compulsory, dear. But if you want to do it, yes, these are some questions wherein adjustments are there. Now, if I again discuss these questions, small, tiny adjustments could be there. But for me to discuss this, it will take some time. Probably one more session it will take. Know that this is an exam-oriented batch. So all questions in most detailed way could be a bit difficult. So for all these questions, what I have done, wherever adjustments are there, right, I have given a note at the end of the question telling what is the adjustment, what we are doing. So yes, when you have free time, I am telling when you have free time, understand to score an exemption in costing, 60 to 70 in costing, just what we are discussing in class is sufficient. Because full study material, full questions from past papers we have done. Okay, additionally, if you want to do also, in which order you have to solve questions, I would say first to solve questions from MTP. because MTP is mock test, right? So it is examination standard level questions only. Then also if you have time, touch RTP. Now sir, but RTP is important now. Yes, RTP is important here, but there is an issue with RTP. What is the issue with RTP? RTP is for your revision. So to check your knowledge, what they will do is, sometimes they will give you very extremely difficult question in RTP, whose probability of being asked in the examination is very less. But when you see that question, you will become completely blank. Now understand, costing and FM are not like other papers. Now imagine you have learnt accounts. In accounts, you have solved 1 or 2 questions. Rest all questions will be in the same model. Law, you've understood the provisions. Okay, more or less situations, you will be in a position to at least reasonably analyze and keep. Taxation, you know the provisions, you will be in a position to do something. But costing is that paper, costing is that paper wherein there is no need to learn anything, to be very frank. But if you sit and by heart now, doesn't matter how much you by heart, there will be no end. Because every question, new thing can come. Every new question, every question, new thing can come. So there is no end. Okay, imagine we have solved 1000 question. In the examination, 1001 completely new question can come for costing. Okay, so yes, what I have done, some 4 or 5 different questions which are there in the RTPs or MTPs I have highlighted and kept. Sir, should we be doing it? I would say first we will cover everything, all the master questions. If you still want more practice, more questions you want to do, you guys try it by yourself. I will see, if possible, I will try coming up with a short discussion video wherein I will not discuss the entire question, only the adjustments I will try covering. I will try. I am not giving you an assurance. I will try. If possible, I'll do it. Otherwise, anyways, comment is there at the end of the question. If you have a doubt, you can drop me an audio message. I will be responding to you. That's all for today. I hope you guys loved the session. Yes, today we started with, let me quickly revise. Today we started with that question on stores ledger. Okay, that was a Maja is coming question. Yes or no? Return from, production to stores. Receipt column, rate, balance column, first line. Simple, finish. Yes or no? Today so many things we did. But if I have to just summarize, first stores ledger question was there. Return from production to stores. In receipt column it will come. Rate. Specific rate is available, we will use it. Otherwise we will assume it is from latest issue. Balance, I will write it in first line. Over, finish. Then ABC analysis. I saw. Okay. I will calculate value, percentage of value. I will give ranking. Based on that new table I will do. In new table I will calculate percentage, cumulative percentage. 70% A, 90% B, 100% C. That is also over. Next we did material cost calculation. 2% of total cost, other expenses. So I will tell other expenses is X. Based on that I will put a percentage. And then this question was there. To overcome, say, stock out, I will put safety stock. How do I do that? Okay. Now individually when you see, too much is there. But at the end, you should be knowing how to summarize the adjustments. Okay. Too many small adjustments will be there. But I should be knowing what is that adjustment and how can I summarize that in 1 minute. So whatever we have done in the last 2.5 hours, I have summarized and given it to you guys. This is what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to prepare 2 summary notes. One is a summary notes of concepts, where you summarize the concepts and keep. Second is a summary notes of adjustments. While you're solving questions, now what all areas you have committed a mistake, what all you think is tricky, you highlight, and what should be done, write down and keep. So that next time you can just read that and just in 1 minute you can finish it. Okay everyone, so that's all for today. Shall we end today's session, students? Okay, now we will not be taking any more question for today. Tomorrow we will directly go to that question of RTP. Beautiful question. Okay everyone, so thank you so much for sticking till the very end. It was a very lengthy session. Without a break also we took. Proud of you guys. So be proud of yourself for the efforts that you're putting in. Know that for all the efforts you're putting, God will give you. He will reward you. He is looking at your efforts. You will get the reward. Just keep pushing. So with this, we end the session. Keep studying, keep smiling, keep working hard, keep making your parents proud, and see you tomorrow for the next session. Have a great day, my dear warriors. If you want questions for practice, what you can do is, whatever past paper questions were there, you try this question. Question number 28, you try it once by yourself. Okay. Question number 28, this question that I have discussed. And along with that, which more question was there? This question that I have done. MTP question was there. Other expenses, 2% of total cost. That also you try. And in ABC analysis, there was that question which was in the past examination, right? That also you try. Those 3 questions you try it by yourself in the examination environment. Okay, dear. I think Sharini had sent her answers today. I could not see it. Tomorrow in the session, I'll try doing it, dear. Okay na? Thank you so much students. Have a great day. Bye bye.